Brilliant Qatar, your trusted coaching partner for IIT, JEE, NEET, Science and Commerce tuitions with 10 years of excellence in quality training. Brilliant Qatar.
Good morning.
Good morning. What's all this? Your results. Congratulations to all. Keep in mind, your first challenge is the entrance, whether it's IIT, JEE, SAT or NEET. You have to learn from the masters. Brilliant Qatar is the passport to your success.
Hi everyone, welcome to
amazing channel of Brilliant Qatar.
When you're rubbing one body with another body, electrons are transferred from one object to what? Another object. Okay, this process, this type of electricity is been given a name.
halogen connected carbon sp3, then it's connected to benzene. See all of you, halogen connected. What is this carbon hybridization? Full single bond sp3, see then a benzene ring.
Denominator poles shouldn't be included in the denominator poles. That means the denominator, these -1 and -5 should never be included in the solution.
Homocircle caudal fin. It's giving two equal lobes. But in case of cartilage fishes, look at here, one big lobe is there, one small lobe is there. You cannot cut into two equal half this fin.
Hello, hi, good evening once again.
Hello dears, we are back with our next day's live.
So today is the last day of our phase 1 exams. So by this the first phase is over, and as usual today's paper was also easy and many questions repeating exactly the same
concept is repeating actually.
Yeah, same. Yeah. So those who were going through our last 4 days live,
Yes.
they could have done this very well. So anyway, we are not wasting time. Today is the last day. We need your support till the end. Okay. So we are going to start with physics today, then maths, then chemistry. Our entire team is ready for the start. I think so we can start.
Yes. So all our
Okay, so we are going to start the last day's class by physics, and then maths, then chemistry. So I think we can start.
Okay, let us start today.
Question.
Yeah. So we are starting the new question. Ali Fasil sir and GB sir, we are starting, huh?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, we are starting now.
Thermodynamics only, sir. Start with you.
Oh, okay. So the first question is 2 moles of monoatomic gas and 6 mole of diatomic gas are mixed. Molar specificate for constant volume of mixture shall be. So here there is 2 gas given, and what is the molar specificate capacity for the mixture? That's the question. We have the formula, that is see, for the mixture to calculate molar specificate capacity, CV mixture is equal to N1 gamma 1 plus N2 gamma 2 divided by N1 plus N2 is there. So that's the formula to calculate the molar specific capacity of the mixture now currently. So here N1 2 mole and we can say N2 is 6 mole. Monoatomic gas that is equal to 5/3 is gamma, and diatomic gas gamma is equal to 7/5. So we can write 2 into 5/3 plus and 6 into 7/5 divided by n1 plus n2 is there. So that is equal to 2 plus 6. And that simplifying, you will get 9 by 4. You know, when we are doing the simplification, the answer will be 9 by 4. So 9 by 4, that is equal to 2.25 is there. So the right answer is 2.25. Hi days, you know, see, that is here the Guru Baran, you know, and then there are Abu Muhammad and Joseph Stalin, and you know, see, many are there, you know, see, with Heart and Nandini and many are there, you know, see. So
please share your link with your friends and come back.
See this heart and fires and love and smile giving us, you know, see, energy actually.
It's actually from thermodynamics.
Yeah.
A similar topic is in chemistry also is coming out.
Right.
Sir was not there, so students were asking where is our
Yeah, very sir. Yeah, yesterday students were asking actually. Okay, sir. So go for the next question.
Okay, we are going to the next question now. So look, again
thermodynamics. Yeah, carry on, sir.
Okay. A gas undergoes a thermodynamic process from state P1, V1, T1 to state P2, V2, D2 for the given process PV rise to 3 by 2. So we can say constant, find the work done by the gas that they are asking. PV rise to 3 by 2 is there. You know, PV rise to 3 by 2 adiabatic process. So we can say that PV rise to gamma equal to a constant we studied for adiabatic. So here gamma is equal to 3 by 2 is there. Now they are asking work done. Work done in adiabatic, we have the formula. Work done is equal to R divided by gamma minus 1 into P1 V1 minus P2 V2 is there. So here gamma value is 3 by 2. That we are substituting. So we can say R divided by 3 by 2 minus 1 into P1 V1 minus P2 V2 is there. 3 by 2 minus 1 is 3 minus 2 by 2 will come to the numerator. So 2R into P1 V1 minus P2 V2 is there. So we can say the right answer is option 4. That is 2 into P1 V1 minus P2 V2 is there. The right answer actually. Or is missing, I think maybe our typing error may be there. You know, see 2R into P1 V1 minus P2 V2 is there.
Yeah,
that's
yes,
the
sir.
question actually.
Nandini was there yesterday also. She had the exam today.
Yeah.
Hope she got the right. Yeah. Nandini is correct.
Right,
Great.
yeah.
Hope it's our
Fourth
yesterday
option,
session helped you a lot.
Yeah, right.
Great.
Yes. Now we are doing the next question. The next question. That is, you know, question 3.
Moving charges again.
Questions
Yeah.
my only. Why all questions my only? Na?
Yeah, carry on.
You all the two are simply standing there. All questions are from me only.
25 questions today we'll be doing.
Yeah.
Of course, we have that on.
Okay. Look, a moving coil galvanometer has a resistance 50 ohm and full scale deflection current 5 milliampere. The resistance needed to convert this galvanometer into voltmeter of range 100 volt is. So we want to convert galvanometer into voltmeter, you know, see. So we know that is how we are converting to voltmeter, by connecting a resistance in parallel. So, by connecting a resistance in series, so that we can convert into a voltmeter. So here, suppose this current is Ig, same current here also Ig will be there. For conversion we have the formula R equal to V by Ig minus Rg is there. And here the range given, that is 100. And Ig, full scale deflection current, that is 5 milliampere. So 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 minus Rg given, that is equal to 50. So here 100 by 5, 20. So 20,000 minus 50 is there. So we can say 19,550 ohm.
It's 950, no? I think that is also.
Not correct only.
50.
50.
19,950 only.
Maybe. Okay. So the right answer is option 1. That is equal to here. The values are given correctly. V is 100. Check now once more. 5 milliampere. 5 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay. Yeah, maybe. Okay. 19950 may be the answer. Okay, right. 19950 ohm is the right answer coming. So see option 1, the right one. That is 19950 is there.
If you have the confusion with the third one.
Yes. Is it answer 3?
Okay. So as 850.
850 and here 950 is there. Okay.
That's a printing mistake maybe.
Printing mistake maybe. Maybe the printing mistake there. Okay. Yes, Nandini. Okay, yes, Abu Muhammad. Now the next one we can say, again. 8 identical batteries, 5 volt and 1 ohm are connected as shown. The reading of the ideal voltmeter is. So here when we are considering, in order to calculate, many cells are there. The same question, sir, came in the last examination also, combination of the cell, but some difference only there here in this question. Look, we want to find the voltmeter reading. This voltmeter is across the cell. Voltage across the cell, we have the formula V is equal to E minus IR. So here the problem, current I want to calculate. So what is the current here? Internal resistance already given. EMF is 5 and internal resistance is 1 ohm. But I want to calculate the current in the circuit. If there are many cells connected in series, then current can be calculated as equivalent EMF divided by external resistance plus equivalent internal resistance will be coming. So what is the equivalent EMF here? See, look, here the cells are connected minus to plus, again minus to plus. So minus to plus means it is plus. We studied. So the total EMF will be 5 plus 5 plus 5. So that we can say like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cells are there. So 8 into 5, 40 divided by the external resistance is not given here in this circuit. And here it's very given internal resistance is 1 is there. So 1 plus so internal resistance R equivalent is there. So we can say 8 such cells are there. So 8 into 1, so 40 by 8, so that is equal to 5 ampere. So we can say the current is 5 ampere. So we are substituting the value now. V equal to 5 minus 5 into 1 is there. 5 minus 5, that is equal to 0. There this question came actually without option. So there is a rule that is in descriptive question or one question answer will be always 0. I don't know whether it is correct or not. Yesterday also we got the answer one question 0 only. One question descriptive answer will be 0 is there. Okay. Now the next one. Look, in a series LCR circuit connected to an AC source, this is also value of elements. I think Jibi sir and Ali Fazil sir some plan today. I don't know what is this. The elements are all questions are me only coming. Now look here, value of elements.
Because of yesterday students were missing you. So
L node, C node, and R node such that circuit is in resonance mode. The capacity of the capacitor is 4 C naught. The new value of inductance for the circuit still remain in resonance is L0 by N. What is N? So we can say here they are saying it is in resonance mode. And L and C are the question here related. We know in resonance. We studied, we have a resonance frequency is equal to 1 by root LC in radian per second. So we can say the resonance frequency omega naught is equal to 1 by root LC. First case, it is L naught and C naught is there. Now, the capacity of the capacitor made 4 C naught now. So, we can say the new capacitance is 4 C naught. Now, omega naught dash is equal to 1 by root of L naught dash into C naught dash is given, that is equal to 4 C naught is there. But they are saying same resonance, still remain in resonance. So we can say here these two should be equal. So omega naught and omega naught dash are equal. So 1 by root of L naught C naught is equal to 1 by root of L naught dash and 4 C naught dash is there. So we are equating correctly. 4 C naught is there correctly. So we can equate L naught C naught is equal to L naught dash into 4 C naught is there. So here we can cancel C naught and C naught. So L naught dash is equal to L naught by 4 here. So we can say L naught dash is L naught by 4. But they given it is L naught by n. So what is the n value? So n value is equal to 4 here. So we can say n equal to 4. The right answer is there. N equal to 4 the right answer. Okay. Now we are going
Nandini
to...
is saying like there were options. Nandini, there may be options like you know that these are memory based questions. So we are collecting questions from the students. So we may be missing options and all. Okay. Right. So anyway the answer is 4. Yeah.
So the next one we are explaining. See what the question means. Look, the current through a conductor varying which time is given.
Same
So yeah,
type of question with first
same,
day.
yeah.
Exactly
I
the same
naught
type.
plus beta
beta
something a
something
data
is.
given, you know, like that. So I equal to 3t square plus 4t cube is there. So they are asking what is the charge passing through this now. You know, whenever we have current, how we can find charge? We know the formula I is equal to dq by dt is there. So dq is equal to I dt is there. So I value already there given 3t square plus 4t cube into dt is actually dq. Then from dq how we can find the q? We can calculate the q by integration method. So q equal to integral 3t square plus 4t cube into dt is there. So that is equal to from 1 to 2. So that is 3 into here t raised to 3 by 3. That's a limit. That's a integration 1 to 2 plus 4 into t raised to 4 by 4 from 1 to 2 is there. So here 3 and 3 cancels. 4 and 4 cancel. Then upper limit minus lower limit we are taking. So we can say 2 cube minus 1 cube. Then plus we can say that here that is 2 raised to 4 minus 1 raised to 4 is there. So 2 cube is 8 minus 1 and 2 raised to 4 is 16 minus 1 is there. So 8 plus 16 is 24 minus 2. So answer is 22 Coulomb. So the right answer is coming. That is equal to 22 Coulomb is there correctly.
Yes.
So you know that is the right answer for the current charging passing through this one correctly.
Yeah. Thank you
for all, you know, see they are
active response from all the
responding.
students.
Okay, fine,
So
correct.
we are very happy with that.
And now we are doing the next question now. That is actually okay. It's fossil sir questions. Okay, and one more point. Actually, after this session, we are coming again with some other sessions. What is that?
Yeah, for the last
after the board revision is coming. Yeah,
going to
okay.
start from 5th
So
onwards.
yeah, 5th onwards.
So we have lot of plans. So
Yeah.
those are going to write
So
the board
stay
exam.
tuned with awesome sessions.
Don't go
Actually, so actually for our board examinations, we are doing very conceptual and very important questions. Small videos are coming in our and subscribe and support Brilliant team. Team Brilliant, the only one team that really supporting you. No, not leaving. Just saying the listen, see.
Have a short break and gather. Yes.
Okay.
Nandini is there. Yeah, all our ardent supporters are here. Guru is there. Taigun. Yeah, hi Taigun. Nandini is there. Lizna is there. Yeah, hi Lizna. Okay, so let's go for this question. Dimensional analysis. The dimensions of angular impulse is equal to. Actually, it's a tricky word. Angular impulse is. But those who have the concept with impulse, it's very easy to do it. Impulse means change in momentum. Is it? So, impulse I is equal to, we have normal equation change in momentum. So, angular impulse is what? Change in angular momentum. All the linear motions we compared with the angular case or the circular motion we done. So here I is equal to delta P. So here L we have angular momentum is equal to mvr we have. So delta L means actually nothing but change in. So it have same dimension of mvr. I have the mass, velocity half L T minus 1 and R half L. So it will be M L square T raised to minus 1. So M L square T raised to minus 1. Option 1 is correct. Yes, Nandini, that's correct. Good. Hope you got the correct answer in that one also.
Sir, there is a comment like from Anjum. Sir, please upload live for shift 2 of 29th.
Yeah, of course, of course.
Like,
let's
but we
get it.
didn't start
Yeah,
shift 2.
shift
We
one.
were doing concentrating on
Okay.
one only. You know that it's one live session is also, it's like 4 hours, 4.5 hours. So that's why we are concentrating now. We are doing only shift 1. Anyway, we'll, send the answer sheets, options, answer sheets of all the shifts. Soon you will get it. Okay.
As PDF form we'll be getting actually because shift 2 have the timing problem, the time shift problem is there.
Yes.
So to collect the questions and that whole time we get it. Of course, Anjum, thank you for your suggestion. We'll be doing it. So please stay online, comment your answers here. Okay, we'll go to next question. Okay.
Sure.
A vernier caliper has again from units and dimensions.
Measurements, how many
Everyone,
questions?
yesterday also 2-3 questions came. This today also we are getting this. A vernier caliper has 10 main scale divisions. So 10 main scale divisions, sir. It's coinciding with the 11 vernier divisions. And one main scale division is 5 millimeter. The least count of the device is, we have the equation least count LC is equal to 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. We have the concept. Is it? So here we have is given 10 main scale division is equal to, we have 11 vernier scale divisions. Is it? So 11 vernier scale division is coinciding with the 10 main scale divisions. So 1 VSD will be equal to how much? It will be 10 by 11 of main scale division. And for one main scale we have how much is given? 5 millimeter. So into 5, that much will be 1 vernier scale division. So clear? Now LC is equal to what? 1 main scale division. How much it is? 5 millimeter. Minus 1 VSD is how much? 10 into 5 by 11. So rearrange it. 11 into 5 is 55 minus 50, that is 5. 5 by 11 millimeters. So answer is 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 is our correct option. 5 by 11 millimeters is the correct answer. Hope you got it. So is a topic from measurements, units of measurement chapter, vernier scale concept. Okay, hope you got it. Yeah, Nandini, correct answer. Good. Karthik is there? Yeah, okay. Captain Marvel is there? Yeah, okay, great. Trigon? Okay, great. We'll go to the next one. Next. On increasing temperature, the elasticity, again from properties of matter, is it, sir? Okay. On increasing temperature, the elasticity of a material. Guru, what do you feel the answer it will be? The elasticity, what happens? Elasticity, the coefficient of elasticity, E will be equal to stress by strain. We have the equation, stress by strain. Now, if you increase the temperature, if you heat up any material, its length can be expanded. So strain will increase. Is it? So with the temperature increases, the strain increases. If strain increases, what happened to elasticity? It decreases, of course. So direct connection. Sometimes students will think temperature and elasticity, is there any connection? No. But here stress by strain is elasticity, Since strain increases, the elasticity will be decreasing. So option will be 2 here, the correct answer. Yeah, how many of you got the correct answer here? Nandini, 3 you got it.
Joseph Stalin.
Yeah, Joseph Stalin is there.
Yeah.
Captain Marvel is there. Yeah, good. It will be 2. Yeah, of course.
Right.
Guru. Okay, fine. So next we'll do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Determine the lowest energy of photon emitted in Balmer series of hydrogen atom. Yeah, it's also again combined chemistry and physics concept, modern physics from itself. Dual nature. It's also written then atoms and nuclear concept. So it's coming from the hydrogen atom concepts. Okay, spectral lines of hydrogen atoms we know. So lowest energy of photon emitted in Balmer series of hydrogen atoms. So energy is asking directly. Balmer series, the wavelength range you studied. So lowest energy we can have delta E will be equal to EI minus EF we have. Is it? So it can be written as 13.6 into 1 by NF square minus 1 by NI square. The normal equation we have. Normal level is 13.6 by. So actually the lowest level will be from stage 3 to 2. You know, Balmer series, we have the least level, second level. From any higher level, if an electron de-excite to second level, we have the Balmer series. So 3 to 2. Substitute it, NF is 2, Ni is 3. So it will be 13.6 into 1 by NF square means 2 square, that is 4, minus 1 by 3 square, that is 9. So it will be, that is the energy, the lowest possible energy. So here it will be equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 9, that is 13.6 into, it will be 9 minus 4, that is 5 by 4 minus is 36. So it will be almost nearly equal to 13.6 is almost 65 by 36. So it will be almost 1.88 electron volt. Almost.
Yeah.
Approximate answers. Hope you got it. So lowest energy level or the wavelength question comes there, or frequency question comes there. Lowest is from nearest two layers.
Yeah.
And
got the right
highest
answer.
will be the infinity to the second level. Okay, got it.
Chris, yeah, welcome.
Yeah, is that?
Yeah, Nandini got the right answer.
Great.
Nandini, good.
Yeah, great.
Fine.
Carry on. So give your support. Please share the link to your friends. Let all of them enjoy the session. Okay, let's go to the next question.
Next question, sure. Again,
same case, modern physics. De Broglie wavelength of proton is given lambda.
yeah.
And of alpha particle is 2 lambda. The ratio of velocity of proton to that of alpha particle is asking. So de Broglie wavelength equation, all of you know, lambda is equal to h by mv. So de Broglie wavelength is given, they are asking the velocity of proton to that of alpha particle. So here Vp by V alpha will be equal to, so from this equation we can have V is equal to h by m lambda. So Vp will be h by mp into lambda p by V alpha will be h by m alpha into lambda alpha. Is it? So here, if you rearrange and consider this h cancels, so it will be m alpha into lambda alpha by mp into lambda p. Now in the question what is all given, we know mass of alpha particles, we know 4 times mass of proton, because alpha particle is made up of 2 neutrons and 2 protons. So mass of alpha will be 4 times the mass of proton, so it will be 4 times mp into lambda alpha is given 2 lambda, it is, so 2 lambda by mp as it is, you keep it, and lambda p is given, lambda de Broglie is this one. So here we have lambda and lambda gons, mp and mp gons, so it will be 8 by 1. So option is 8:1, that is 8 is the answer. It is 8:1. Option 1 is the correct answer.
Yes.
Yeah, how many of you are there? Yes, Devon is there. Great. Joseph Stalin, got it now. Yes. Hi Grace. Then let's move to the next question, sir. For measuring resistivity, R is equal to rho into L by A, and that is equal to rho L by pi R square is used, of course. Then percentage error in resistance R. So again from unisa measurement the question. Okay sir, I will do it.
Yeah.
So resistance R, length L, radius R are given X, Y and Z respectively. Here find the percentage error in resistivity rho is given. So equation
Same type of question was there yesterday also?
Yeah, same cases. Yeah. Rho into L by pi R square is the equation for R. So we have rho is equal to R into pi R square by L. The percentage error in resistivity they are asking. So percentage error in R plus percentage error in R square plus percentage error in length is there. Instead of dividing, you have to add the percentage errors. The logic you know. So percentage error in rho is equal to percentage error in R plus in R square the percentage will be 2 into percentage error in R plus the percentage error in L. So that's in resistance we have the percentage error X plus 2 into percentage error in R is actually Z, the last one. So 2Z plus percentage error in L is what? Y. So it is X plus Y plus 2Z. X plus Y plus, yeah, the option 1 is the correct answer for that. So person year question, repeating type questions, please take care all of you who are attending the upcoming exams also, like the next shift we have in April 1st. So please prepare accordingly. Okay, let's go for the next question then.
Yes.
Yeah, again the same question.
Every paper.
Every paper it was. Throughout these shifts we got in phase 1, is it? The Zenadiode problem.
Is, yeah.
Okay, so.
And another thing, Zenadiode is a deleted topic for the board.
For board exam, yes.
Right.
Yeah, that is there. And Nandini, you got it now. Fine. See, let's see. In the voltage regulator circuit shown below, the reverse breakdown voltage of Zenadiode is 5 volt. So it is 5 volt across Zenadiode. Then power dissipated across it is 100 milliwatts. So here power across Zenadiode is given 100 milliwatts. Find RS, we have to find out. Oh, okay. Here the concept just to twist it, that's only. RS you have to find out. The series resistance you have to find out, that's all. Okay, let's see. So okay, this is actually 1000 ohms. Let's see. If it is 5 volt here, then across 1000 ohm also will be 5 volt. Yesterday we did the same pattern. If current I passes through this, then here IZ current will be there, and here I minus IZ will be there passing through. Is it the branch rule? So it will passing through and complete the circuit. Across this, what will be current? We can find out because voltage is given, resistance is given. So I is equal to V by R. So 5 by 1000, that is nothing but you can do 5 milliampere is the current passing through this one. Okay, now here across this one 5 volt is the Zenad voltage is given and power is given 100 milliwatts. So you know power P is equal to V into I. So current through Zenadiode IZ will be power across divided by voltage across Zenadiode. So power is 100 milliwatts is by voltage across is 5. So this is nothing but 20 milliampere. Is it? Watts by it is volt. So that is ampere, milliampere. So across this one we got 20 milliampere. So 5 went there, 20 here. So we got here across RS it will be 25 milliampere. And what is the voltage across it? You have to find the value of resistance. 8 volt total is there. 5 volt here. So remaining 3 volt are here. So it's done. Current, so RS will be V voltage across it divided by current. Voltage is how much? 3 volt we have. 3 by current how much? 25 milliampere. So 3 by 25 milliampere is there. So 10 raised to minus 3. You get 3 by 25 into 10 raised to 3 is there. So that is 3000 by 25. Almost will be 3000 is there, 100 plus, yeah, 120 almost will come.
Yeah.
So option 1 is the correct answer.
Sure.
120 ohm is the correct answer for that.
Yes, 120 is the right answer.
Yeah, great. Got it? Nandini, please check where it's gone.
Yes, Nandini is.
Yeah, Raj is there. Okay, got it, Raj. Hi. So here.
Srikanth is waiting for Karthik sir. Karthik sir will come soon.
Yeah, Karthik
After
sir is
physics.
okay. Our maths
King.
fighters, kings are there, and chemistry dynamic people are there. All are waiting on the queue. They'll be meeting you soon. Okay, please stay tuned, all of you. Please share this link to your friend circle and all nearby, all the students who will get beneficial. So that'll be most the support what you can do from your part. Okay, let's go for the next question, sir.
Sure.
Yeah, again from modern physics.
Nuclei, yeah.
Nuclear mass and size of nucleus of an element A are 64 and 4.8 femtometer. If size of nucleus of element B is 4 femtometer, then its nuclear mass will be 100,000 by X, then X is what? That's the question. X you have to find out. So, relation between radius and mass number. You know the concept. We have nucleus size. R is proportional to A raised to 1 by 3, cube root of A. So R cube will be proportional to A we can put. Is it? So that's the logic here. So radius of the first one is given and its mass number also given. Then second, the radius is given, mass you have to find out. That's all. So here it will be. R is given how much? 4.8 femtometer. So same unit can keep it, cube by radius of the second one we have to find out. Is it R? is equal to, for the first one it is 64 by the second one, I'm sorry, here is it given 4, so 4 cube is equal to 64 by this. Suppose you put m, you put it, for example m you have to find out, so rearrange it, so m will be equal to, m is equal to 64 into 4 cube by 4.8 cube, that is m. It's actually equal to 1000 by x is given, so let's resolve it easily. Here will be 64 into 4 into 4 into 4 by, so 64 into 4 into 4 cube done, 4.8 I'm putting 48 into 48 into 48 into 10 raised to minus 3. Decimals are there, I'm taking it up, it will become 10 raised to 3. So 10 raised to 3 is the 1000 here is given. So this value is for actually x. Let's see what it will be. So here, cut short only, 4 is the, if you just divide with the 48, cut short it will become 112. Then 1 4 again cuts, it's 12. And 4 again cuts, it's 12. Okay, then 12 and 64, you can cancel it. How much will be there? See, 12 with the 64 you cancel, it will be, will come 4 and 5, is it? Sorry, with the 2 you can cancel, it will be 3, 32, it is 6. Again cancel with the, it is 3, so it will be 16. Then 16 and 12 is there, again you cancel it, it will become, 12 will become actually 6, 6 will become 8 there, you can cancel again, 12 you can cut short it, it will become 4 and it will become here 6, cancel again, 2, it is 3, so it will become 2 by 3 into 6 into 3, so it will be 9 into 6, that is 54, so 2 by 54 will be the value of, so 1000 by x is given, so x will be, it's an integer type question, we get x is equal to 54, is it? Yeah, 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 6 by 2 will be x value, that's equal to 27. Yes. That's the integer value of x.
Yeah.
Got it?
Right.
That's fine. So here the relation between radius and mass, that's a relation with the nucleus, size of a nucleus. Sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go for the next
There
one.
are many other like Joseph Stalin, Ansar, hi Ansar, Srikanth, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, all are waiting. Thank you very much. So let's go to the next question,
Yeah,
sir.
yes, fine. Next question. Yeah, it's again from electrostatics.
Yeah, so let me
Your
start my
favorite.
today.
Of course.
Yes.
Come on, sir.
So, a question from electrostatics. Two capacitors are charged as shown. When both the positive terminals and negative terminals of capacitors are connected, the energy loss will be. So, loss of energy question, simple concept. So, you can see.
Energy question we done, is it?
Yeah, yesterday also one question was there. So, there are two capacitors you can see. It is C and this is also C. Okay, but potentials are different. This one is V and this is what? 2V. And after that, the positive terminals are joined and negative is also joined. So before that, let's find what is the energy of this system now. Initial energy, U initial, will be the energy of this capacitor plus the energy of this one. So here the potential is V, so we can write it as half CV square plus half C into the potential here is 2V, so squaring we get 4V squared. So this is the initial energy. After that, how do we find the final energy? Final energy, you can see that the two capacitors are connected like this. Positive terminals are connected together, negatives are connected together means.
So the students should understand it is parallel combination.
It's parallel combination.
Yeah.
So what is the total capacitance? The sum of these two will be 2C. Effective capacitance will be 2C. Not only that, you know that in these type of situation we have to find the common potential. What is the common potential formula? V is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2. Now let's substitute the value. What is C1? C1 is C into V1 is V, CV plus C into 2V divided by C plus C, which is 2C. Okay, so we get 2CV plus CV, 3CV. So
C you can take common.
3CV by 2C. So 3 by 2V. This is the common potential, new potential. Now we can easily go to loss of energy. Loss of energy will be initial energy minus. So this is initial energy. We can write half CV square plus half CV square into 4 minus half into the new energy. Here what is the total capacitance? 2C, half into 2C into V. What is V? 3 by 2V. We need to square that, so we get 9 by 4
into V square.
So we can take half CV square out. It's common in all. So if half CV square comes out, first term will be 1, second will be there is 4,
minus
and half CV square comes out means there will be 2, 9, 18 by 4. Isn't it?
That is 9 by 2.
Yeah, or 9 by 2.
Yeah.
9 by 2. Yeah.
Minus
now we can.
So no?
Yeah, there is minus. 1 plus 4 minus 9 by 2. So we get half CV square into. This will be 2, you can take LCM, so it will be 2 plus 8 minus 9.
So 10 minus 9, 1,
Yeah.
1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4.
1 by 4. 1 by 4 CV square. 1 by 4 CV
Option
square
3 is the correct answer.
Option 3. There is no complicated idea here, just simply we are using common potential concept and subtracting. I hope this is also clear for you.
Yeah, Afri is there, Devon is there, Trigon.
thank you.
Our students from Messes, Pearl, DPS and everything there. Yeah, welcome back.
So let's go to the next.
Next question, sir.
Two strings are identical. Okay. Tension in the wave questions. Beats only they are asking. Beat frequency. You know the formula for beat frequency. It is difference in frequency. Nu1 minus nu2. So we need to find the frequencies in both the cases. So let's check the situation. Two strings are identical and fixed at both ends with tension 6 Newton each. If tension in one string is fixed at both ends, change it from 6 Newton to 52 Newton, then beats. So two cases are there, only tension is changing. Right. So first let us start with, remember some more data are given. Length is 1 meter and linear mass density. What is meaning of linear mass density? Mass per unit length. We are representing it by the letter 1 kilogram. So both are 1. So we have a formula for speed of a wave in a stretched string. It is root of T by mu.
Yeah.
But
Tension
here
by mass per unit length.
Tension by mass per unit length. But here mu is 1. It's 1. It's given. So V is equal to square root of
tension.
Tension.
Yeah. Easy calculations. They made it
very
easy.
simple. Yeah. Now we need to find the frequency difference. So hope you remember the fundamental frequency of a stretched string formula. Nu is equal to V by 2L. 2L. Now what is the length? Another length is made 1. So no calculation. Calculations are very simple. So V is root T.
Yeah.
So we get root T by 2. This is nu. Then for the first string, what is the tension? 6. So we get nu1 is equal to square root of 6 by 2. Okay.
Yes.
And the second one, nu2 is equal to square root of, what is the tension? 52.
52.
By
2.
We got both the frequencies. Now they are asking what's the beat frequency. Formula is difference. Nu is equal to nu2 minus nu1. So half is common, we can take it out. So it is square root of 52 minus square root of 6. So we can make a rough calculation here. 52 means it will be 7 point something. 7 point, around 7.2 will come. Root 6 will be like 3 point...
2 point something, sir.
Yeah. 2 point. 2.3 something like that. So we can approximate here 2.4 I think around. So the answer will be 7.2 minus 2.4, 4.8 by 2.4 around 2.38.
2.38.
Approximately 2.4. That means here we have 2.38 hertz. That is the answer. 2.38 hertz. Again an easy question. And another thing is they're making the calculations very simple. Normally the numbers will be, you know that because you know we have 3 minutes to do a question, so but here everything is 1, 1, 1. So
you might remember doing our training.
That's why the classes and all
from these all chapters, waves and all.
Sure.
Is it?
Yeah.
So they definitely be easy for them. Okay, Nandini, what is your answer? You got the same. Okay.
Let's go to the next.
Yeah, let's go to the next.
Particle
Listener is there. Hi, listener. Then, answer is there. Answer. What is the name? Answer is there. Great. Okay,
a particle is moving in a circle of radius r in a time period t. This moving particle is projected at an angle theta with horizontal and attains a maximum height of 4r. Angle theta can be given as dissect. This is a bit tricky.
Yeah, bit tricky.
You have to use an idea like they're combining two cases. One is a rotational motion and then projectile. So let's check what is the situation here. A particle is moving in a circle of radius r in a time period t. My dear students, you can check the options. In all options, that time period is there. So angle of projection we have to find in terms of time period. So let's check initially what is the situation. There is a circle. An object is moving in a circle, and its radius is given as what? R. Radius is R. And its time period is T. You know what is time period? Time period is time taken to complete one rotation. It is T means if the body is starting from here to reach here, it will take time. So if you are taking the speed of this one as V, so then you can easily write the formula for time period. It is distance upon velocity. So 2 pi r by V. Or V is equal to what we can write? 2 pi r
by the capital T.
Yeah.
Time period will be there.
Capital T. So we got an expression for the velocity. Now what they're asking, this moving particle is projected at an angle theta. So this rotating particle is projecting. That means if you are projecting it from a particular point, what will be its velocity? Velocity will be V only.
Yeah.
So now we can treat it as a projectile motion. So if you are considering a projectile motion now, the body is projected with a velocity V at an angle theta.
Yeah.
They're asking what is the value of theta. Maximum height is given for r.
So H
If
max
maximum, H max value. So H is equal to, you know the formula, H is equal to U square sine square theta by 2g.
Yeah.
That H is given as 4r.
Yeah.
U is our velocity here.
Yeah.
So that we can substitute, it is 2 pi r by t. So we get squaring
4 pi square
4 pi square
r square
by t square.
Yeah.
Into sine square theta by 2g. Yeah. Now we can cancel this 4, this r will also be cancelled.
Yeah.
We need theta value, sir. So we can keep sine square theta on one side. So we get sine square theta is equal to t square 2g.
Yeah.
Divided by pi square r.
Pi square r. Yeah.
Pi square r. We need sine theta. Actually, we need theta.
Yeah.
So from this we can write sine theta is equal to square root.
Yeah.
So sine theta is equal to, I can write here, sine theta is equal to t into 2g.
Root 2g will be, sir.
Yeah, root 2g, and pi square is there, no? So this will be pi.
Yeah.
So root 2g by r. Yeah.
So
we need to find theta. Yeah, t by pi. So theta is equal to sine inverse of this. So we got the answer. T by pi into root of 2g by r.
Yeah. So option is
option 4. 4, no?
3. T by pi is there, no?
Okay, right.
Yeah.
So it is option 3.
3 is correct.
Option 3 is the right answer for this.
How many of you got correct answer?
So it's a bit tricky one, like they are combining.
Devon is there. Yeah. Try your answers also. You can type your answers here while we're doing. Yeah.
Sure.
Hi Devon. Hi answer. Hi Afreet. Please keep on motivated. Yeah. Shukur is there. Abdul Shukur is there.
Yes.
Come on.
Can we go to the next?
Yeah, next question we can do.
This is yesterday also.
Yeah, similar case.
Same type
connected bodies again.
Connected body question.
From laws of motion.
A block of mass 20 kg is placed on a rough surface having coefficient of friction 0.04 as shown in figure. Find the acceleration of the system when it is elated. It's a simple question, you know.
You might remember, sir, when we do for the NEET coaching and all, it look like similar questions.
Same like this.
So who are preparing for NEET question also, please watch it. It'll be helpful for you really.
Right. So we have to find what? Acceleration. So acceleration means it is given. This is 6 kg means the weight will be how much? 6g.
60.
That means we can take g as 10.
Yeah.
So it will be 60.
Yeah.
60 Newton force is acting down. And this is a rough surface. Remember, it is there is friction. So friction force will be acting in this direction.
Coefficient is given 0.
So net force will be what? 60 minus friction. 60 minus friction formula. You know that it's mu n is equal to what? What is the total mass of the system? It is 20 plus 6. 26a. 26a. Now 60 minus mu value is given. What is mu? 0.04. So 0.04 into n is mg of this body. Okay. So m is what? 20 into g we can take 10 is equal to 26a. Now just solve it. 60 minus this will become 4 into 2 8 is equal to 26a. 60 minus 8 52. So 26a is equal to 52. Simple. A equal to 52 by 26, 2 meters.
Yeah. So acceleration we got.
So 2 meter per second square. Okay.
Yeah.
In the typing error is there. It is
So acceleration is 2 meter per
2
second.
meter per second square. Simple question. See, in laws of motion chapter, connected motions are always very important. You can see for NEET exam also. As I said, NEET exam also you can see the same type of questions. So you need to practice. Also preparing for NEET also these kind of questions. So
and see my dears, actually these questions are memory based questions. The students also attended the exams. We got from their memory based. And yet never released the JEE question paper, you know. So please
almost this type only. If numbers may be different, but
here and
the
there.
concept is same. So this conceptual questions only there.
Okay, get.
Next. Diffraction, sir.
From optics.
Yep.
Wave optics.
Wave optics.
Yeah.
Yesterday there was interference question. Today it is
Diffraction they asked.
Yeah. A single slit diffraction with slit width 0.1 millimeter, light of wavelength 6000 Armstrong is used. A convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter used to focus the diffracted ray. Find the width of central maximum. Actually, the question is direct. They are asking what is the width of the central maximum.
Central maximum.
Yeah.
That is
So let's
substitution.
draw the situation here.
Yeah.
If this is the width slit, there is convex lens, and that convex lens is used to focus this. So let it be the central maximum. We have a direct formula for what? Width of central maximum. What's it? Width is equal to 2 lambda d by a.
That will be twice the other maximum.
Yeah, other maximum.
Yeah.
Right. Now we just substitute the values here. 2 into, what is the wavelength given? 6000 Armstrong. So Armstrong is 6000 into 10 to the power minus 10 will come.
Yeah.
Okay. D. What is D actually? D is the distance between the slit and the screen. This is D. But here we are using a convex lens. So convex lenses focusing the light here means this distance will be equal to
D.
focal length.
Yeah.
Focal length of the lens that is given, that is 20
centimeter.
centimeters. So we
that
can
is
write it as 20 into 10 power minus 2 will.
minus 2 meters.
Yeah.
By
Now
A.
width. Where is
slit
it?
width of this
Slit
0.1
0.1 millimeter. So 0.1 into 10 power minus
Minus
3.
3. Yeah.
Now we just solve it like 2 into 6.
So answers in millimeter only.
Yeah, answer in millimeter that we can finally
Yeah.
convert 2 into. So there are 3 zeros.
Yeah.
Plus 1, 4 zeros are there.
So minus 7.
Minus 10 and minus 2 minus 12.
Yeah.
So minus 8 will come.
Yeah.
Minus 8. And this one 0.1 means 1 into 10 power minus 4. So it will
10
become 10 power 4.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this one you can solve. 2 into 6. 24, right? 24 into 10 power minus 4. That means 2.4 into 10 power minus 3. Yeah. 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 3. So 2.4 millimeters. Yes.
Yeah.
Simple question. Direct question like width of central maximum. Okay? Yeah. So let us go to the next question, sir.
Yes, Sanal is there. Hi, Sanal. Abshukur is there. Yeah, carry on, sir.
Yeah. Two particles, each of mass 2 kg are placed as shown in XY plane. If the distance of center of mass from origin is 4 root 2 by x,
4 root 2
find
by
x.
x. Find x.
This
Yeah.
is a bit tricky.
System of particles question.
It's like system of particles.
Again, your
only,
area.
but-
Come on, sir.
Yeah.
You can
This one, it's actually like a center of mass position. There are many questions you are doing, but this one is in a kind of different way it has been asked. Look at this. Where is the origin? The origin is here. Origin is here. There are two masses, M1 and M2. M1 and M2 are placed in XY plane. The distances are given. We have the position of center of mass is given as 4 root 2 by x. Then what is the value of x? So you know the formula for position of center of mass. Here it is not only same line. One mass is along x axis and other is along y axis, which means we have to use both the coordinates to find the position of center of mass. So I'm just taking, this is given as m1, right? So its x coordinate, it's along y axis. So what is its x coordinate? X coordinate will be 0 and y coordinate is what? 4. So 0, 4 are the coordinates of that mass. And this one is on which axis? It is on the negative x axis. That means its x coordinate will be minus 4 and y coordinate is what? 0. Is that clear? Right. Which means, see, x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 4. Similarly, x2 is minus 4 and y2 is equal to 0. These are the data given. Now we can find the coordinates of center of mass. First let us start with x coordinate. X is equal to, what is the formula?
M1 x1 plus M2 x2 by total mass.
M1 plus M2.
Yeah.
Now we are substituting this. What is M1 value? M1 is 2, but x1 is 0. So first term will be 0.
Plus
M2. M2 is again 2. But what is x2 value?
Minus 4 is there.
Yeah.
So minus 8.
x2 is minus 4.
So 2 into minus 4.
Yeah. 2 into minus 4.
Yeah.
Divided by m1 plus
Total
m2,
mass,
4.
4.
So we get minus 2.
Yeah. That is
X coordinate of center of mass is minus 2.
Yeah.
Same way we can find the y coordinate of center of mass as well. M1 y1. So we can directly substitute, sir. M1 into y1 is 4. So 2 into 4.
Yeah.
Plus M2 y2, 0 by 4. So 4 cancelled. What is the y coordinate? So we got the coordinates of the center of mass, but in question they are not asking what is the coordinate. It's given
the distance is
distance of the center of mass from the origin. So see, for example, if I'm joining these two, if center of mass is here, this distance only given.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got the coordinates of this one. It is one is what?
Minus 2.
Minus 2 and x coordinate is minus 2 and y coordinate is 2. That means if you are writing it as in vector form, we can write the position vector of center of mass will be minus 2 I cap
plus 2j cap.
2j cap. Is that clear? So that is the position vector of center of mass. Now it is distance is given. Distance means magnitude of this one.
Yeah.
So that is equal to what? What is the magnitude of this one? Root of minus 2 square
Plus
2 square. That distance is equal to 4 root 2 by x.
Then x we have to
Then what is the value of x? That is the question. So we can see minus 2 square is what?
4 plus 4
plus 4.
So that is
equal to 4 root 2
Yeah.
by x. So it is 2 into 4.
Yeah.
So taking square root we get 2 root 2.
Yeah.
2 root 2 is equal to
4 root 2
4
by
root
x.
2 by x. So root 2 cancelled. X is equal to 4 by 2.
That
Is
is
equal
2.
to what? 2. X is equal to 2.
So it's an integer type
meters.
question.
Yeah.
Options are not there. So to get x equal to 2.
Actually question is to find the position of center of mass only,
Yeah.
but there are some like tricky way only
Yeah.
it's asked. I think it's clear for you.
Yeah.
Can we go to the next?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yeah.
Tycoon is there, yeah. Please give us support. Ankita is there. Yeah, of course. Ankita, Karthik sir is waiting for, is on the next
Question
turn coming. Yeah, many are there. For maths, chemistry, all specialists are waiting for you. Please stay tuned. All of you are coming.
21.
Please inform your friends also. They are waiting upon.
A bullet of mass 10 power minus 2 kilogram and velocity 200 meter per second gets embedded inside the bow. Mass is 1 kilogram of a simple pendulum is shown. The maximum height of the system rises by. It's given a simple pendulum, but it's not a question from SHM.
Collision, is it?
It is from work energy.
Work energy.
Work energy.
Yeah,
Only
yeah,
like energy conservation only.
Yeah,
we are
yeah,
using.
yeah.
So first, like it is striking this one, and then it is going. We need to find the height.
How high it will be going?
Yeah. So this height only we have to find. We can
Yes.
take it as h. So for that we can use the conservation of energy. Initial kinetic energy is equal to final potential energy. Right. So final potential energy we can use mgh formula, but for that we need initial kinetic energy. How can we find that? We can use law of conservation of momentum. So for that I am taking this as m1 and this as what?
M2.
So total momentum is conserved, but it is given that it hits and embedded in it. So what is the initial momentum of this body? If you are writing it is m1
V1 or U1, you can put it.
So we can directly substitute the value, I think. What is the mass? 10 power minus 2 kilogram.
Yeah.
So mass is 10 power minus 2
Times.
into velocity is 200.
200.
Is equal to, these masses are adding because embedded into it, total mass will be the sum of these two.
So 1
that means
plus 1
this is
kg
1 kg, right? 1 plus 10 power minus 2.
That is
0.01.
Yeah.
Doesn't make any difference.
Yes.
Into the velocity of the system together, V. So this 1 plus 0.01 will be 1 only. Okay. So we get what? V is equal to 200 into 10 power minus 2. That is 2. 2 only. So we got the velocity as what? 2 meter per second. Velocity of the combined object. Okay. Now we can use energy conservation. What is it? Initial kinetic energy of this system is equal to the final potential energy.
So half mv square.
Half mv square means we need to add
mass.
both the masses. Yeah.
So
m1 plus m2.
That is 1.01. You can put it.
Into v square is equal to mgh.
M1
That
plus
also
M2
m1
yeah.
plus m2
So
will
it will get cancelled.
Get cancelled. M2 into gh. So this m1 plus m2 will be cancelled out. Our aim is to find h. So it is equal to
V
v square by 2g. 2g. Now we can substitute what is v
V is
value.
2.
2 square is 4.
That's 4 by 2 into 10.
Into 10.
Yeah.
Okay. That means 2 by 10.
Yeah, that's 0.2.
0.2.
Yeah.
0.2.
So it's integer type. So
Yeah.
it'll be saying by 0.2 meters.
Yeah, they are asking in centimeter.
Centimeter?
So 20 centimeter will
20 centimeters.
20 centimeter will be the answer.
That's
Integer type question. Simple. Like we're just using law of conservation of energy. Okay. Okay, sir.
Yes,
I think.
Joseph Stalin is gone. Yeah, Tycoon from Dubai. Hi, yeah. Many part of the GCC we have the kids. Thank you, Tycoon, for supporting us. Go on. Please bring your friends also on the track. Yeah. Hi, Paul. Yeah, Karthik sir is coming.
Okay. I think everybody is waiting.
Yeah, good,
for the
good,
next.
good.
Okay.
Yeah, come
Right.
on.
The length of a seconds pendulum, if it is placed at a height 2r, is 10 by x pi square meters. Find x.
Yeah.
So remember, seconds pendulum, you know what is second pendulum? Pendulum whose time period is 2 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay. If it is placed at a height 2r, so when 2r height it is kept, the length is 10 by.
And r
so
is the radius of
r
Earth.
is the radius of the earth. So it is kept at a height 2r. So you know the formula for time period, it is 2 pi into root of L by g. But at a height 2r, g value will be different. So first we have to find g value at that
2r.
point.
Yeah.
So if this is the earth, r, and where is the body placed? At a height of 2r. So h is equal to 2r. So we have to find g value at this point. Okay. So if I am taking it as g dash, you know the formula, it is gm by r plus h the whole square. On surface it is gm by r square, but at a height h it is gm by r plus h whole square. So here it is equal to gm by r plus, what is h value? 2r. So r plus 2r the whole square. So 9r square we get. So gm by 9r square
is g dash.
Yeah, you know that gm by r square is g. So look at the value, g dash is equal to g by 9. So we got the value of acceleration due to gravity in that particular point. It is g by 9. Now we can go with the formula for the time period. Time period t is equal to 2 pi into root of L by g dash will come. 2 pi into root of L by g dash. Okay. So what they're asking, sir, actually length of the seconds pendulum, right? So length only we need to find. So we can square this. So we get t square is equal to 4 pi square L by g dash. So then L is equal to t square g dash by 4 pi square. 4 pi square. Now t is seconds pendulum means, you know, what's the time period? 4 seconds. So we get t square as 4 into g dash. G dash is g by 9 divided by 4 pi square. Okay, 4 get cancelled. What we are getting? L is equal to g by
9.
So this is 9 only, right?
9 pi square.
G by 9 pi square. Now this L is given as 10 by x pi square in the question. 10 by x pi square. This g we can take 10 by 9 pi square. We got the answer.
Just compare. So 9 is
x is equal to 9. X is equal to
another integer type question.
Easy question. Okay, based on simple pendulum and length. There are two concepts.
Gravitation and simple
gravitation
and the oscillations.
Oscillations. Okay, so we are going to the next. I think that this is the last question for today.
Again from optics.
Optics. It's an easy
similar. Yes, similar question
yesterday also there was.
Focal length based.
Focal length. Distance between virtual magnified image, size 3 times of an object placed in front of a convex lens and object is 20 centimeter. The focal length of x in centimeter. X is in centimeter, then x is. So focal length only. Direct question. Focal length only.
But image and object is given.
But here please note that it's a convex lens. Convex lens produces virtual image. So that's a confusing thing. Convex lens produces virtual image only in one case. You know that. If the object we are placing where inside the focus.
So let's draw that. Will be on same side. Image and object will be same side will be.
So if the situation will be something like this. If you are keeping object here, you get the image somewhere around here. This is the situation. So this distance only given.
That's 20 centimeters given.
This that's given as 20 centimeter. This is 20 centimeter. Okay, and any other information is given. Size is 3 times of the object.
So magnification
is 3 times. So m is equal to 3. And in a lens, you know that m is equal to what? V by
u
minus v by u. Sorry, lens v by u only. So v by u is equal to what? 3.
3 is given.
So v is equal to 3u. Okay, now if you are checking the situation, see this distance is v and this distance is what? U. So v minus u, the magnitude of v minus u is what? 20. V minus u is equal to 20. So substituting v is equal to 3u. So we get 3u minus u is equal to 20. That means 2u is equal to
20.
20 u is equal to what? 10 centimeter. We got u as 10 centimeter. So if u is then v will be 30 centimeter. V is equal to 30 centimeter. But please note that, student, both are negative.
And we have to find the focal length.
Focal length. So both are on the left side. So both will be negative. Now we can directly substitute in our lens formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u.
So f is equal to.
So we can take v as LCM. U minus v. This is 1 by f. So f is equal to uv by
u minus v.
U minus v. Can substitute f is equal to u. What is u? U is minus 10
times minus 30.
Minus 30
by minus 40. Minus 10
minus 10 minus 30.
So it will be 20.
This will become plus. So 300 divided by
20.
20. So we get 15 centimeter. Easy question only. There is no confusion about this question. Focal length directly. Yesterday it was mirror. So today it is lens. So question pattern
few areas are there. Still they are focusing on that areas only. Not all spread it all together.
So at least like for the second phase, those who are going to write, if anybody is planning to write the exam in second phase, concentrate on the first day paper. So first day paper, the same pattern only they are following. So if you are focusing that particular area, you can easily score marks. Anyway, students, by this we are going to wind up today's physics session.
Yeah,
Hope you enjoyed all
questions
this.
we done.
23. We could collect 23 questions.
So, thank you for
Thank
all
you
supporters.
for being with us for the last
Chris is there,
1 hour.
Nandini is there, Repaka is there, then Tygon, Trubani is there. Yeah. Thank you all for
Many are there.
supporting.
Our maths team is ready.
Yeah.
You know you people are waiting for Karthik sir and
Kings
Provin sir.
of Maths, Mr. Karthik and Mr. Brovin, they will lead you the math session. So, please sir, please come on.
Please come.
Okay,
Thank you. Thank you, students. Bye. Bye.
Brilliant Qatar, your trusted coaching partner for IIT, JEE, NEET, Science and Commerce tuitions with 10 years of excellence in quality training. Brilliant Qatar.
Good morning.
Good morning. What's all this? Your results. Congratulations to all. Keep in mind, your first challenge is the entrance, whether it's IIT, JEE, SAT or NEET. You have to learn from the masters. Brilliant Qatar is the passport to your success.
Brilliant Qatar.
Hi, my dear students. Very good evening.
Welcome back again to another session of your math discussion for 1st February, shift 1.
Yes, sir.
Again, sir, again, paper
Good evening,
was...
sir.
Okay, good evening. Again, but the paper, sir, again, it was a bit lengthy, yes.
Exactly, sir.
And difficult. Again, math is always, as usual, difficult. But pattern...
The same pattern.
pattern.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And the questions from the previous days, again the same type of questions repeatedly asked again in this shift also.
Even calculus, even
Yes.
in this exam, we can see calculus takes the highest priority.
And again, as usual, sequence and series questions
Algebra
came,
part.
algebra part question came,
Then geometry.
and geometry question came, permutation combinations.
Yes, sir.
So let us not waste our time. Let's go to the questions. Karthik sir, you can start today, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, friends, starting with today's first particular question. The first question, if you see, if 3 comma, they have given in a question that if 3 comma A comma B comma C are in AP and another sequence is in GP, then the arithmetic mean of A comma B and C. This is what the question they have given. So basic principle that we have in our AP,
Yes.
if three terms are in AP, then their common difference has to be
Same.
So that means A minus 3 has to be equals to
B minus A.
B minus A. So from here we get, if you are
B
going
is
to
equal
rearrange the
to-
things, 2A is equals to B plus 3. Let's keep this aside.
Yeah.
Now at the same time they said 3 comma A minus 1 comma B plus 1 are in GP. If they are in GP, common ratio is going to be same. So that means second term by first term, A minus 1 whole divided by 3 is equals to
B
plus 1 whole divided by A minus 1. From here we get A minus 1 whole square is equals to 3 of B plus 1. A minus 1 whole square we get A square minus 2A plus 1 is equals to 3 of, we can substitute B is equals to 2A minus 3 from this particular equation. So 2A minus 3 plus 1, that becomes minus 2. So finally A square minus 2A minus 6A
Minus
8A 1 minus 6.
1 plus 6.
So plus 7 is equals to
0.
0. Now if you are going to factorize, clearly we get A minus 1 times A minus 7 is equals to 0. Either A can be 1 or A can be 7. But if A is 1, one term of a particular GP will be 0. So if one term is 0, all will be 0. So actually this is a non-zero GP. So we are going to take only A is equal to 7. If A is 7, what happens, boss? So
B is equal to?
Yes, B is equals to 2A minus 3. That is 7 to 14 minus 3. B will be 11. In the same way, C is, now C will be B minus A
equal to C minus B.
Already we know B, already we know A. So B is 11 minus A is 7. 11 minus 7 is equals to C minus
B.
11.
Okay.
So 22 is equals to C plus 7. Now C is equals to 15. We got A, we got B, we got C. They are just asking us to find the arithmetic mean of ABC. Arithmetic mean is sum of the observations divided by total number of observations. So arithmetic mean of A comma B comma C will be A plus B plus C whole divided by 3. So that is 7 plus 11 plus 15 whole divided by 3. 15 plus 11, 26. 26 plus 7, 33 divided by 3. That becomes 11. That's it. So
option 1,
friends. Option 1.
Easy question.
Very easy.
Basic question.
Very basic question. Now coming to the next question. A beautiful question from calculus. Very good question. The value of integral 0 to pi by 4 x dx whole divided by sine power 4 2x plus cos power 4 2x.
Sir, we have a very similar question in CBSE like
exactly,
this. 0 to pi by 2, but there's going to be 1 by cos sine square x plus 4 cos square x.
Yes, sir.
Textbook question.
Yes.
Same logic you had
The
applied.
moment a student looks at this particular question, it has to be in standard form. Because actually here we have in terms of 2x. Let's try to modify that particular 2x as a single expression. For that, you put 2x is equals to some t. Let's change the variable. That becomes, if 2x is equals to t, the same I becomes, let this be I. Now I becomes integral. When x is 0, t will also be 0. Integral 0 to, when x is pi by 4, t will be pi by 2. So therefore definite integral limits will be from 0 to pi by 2. X is equals to t by 2. In place of x we can put t by 2
and dx is going to become dt by 2.
Dx will be dt by 2.
Denominator
2. Denominator we get the sine power 4t plus
cos
power 4t. That's it. Let's take this 1 by 4 out. I is equals to 1 by 4 times 0 to pi by 2 integral
t dt
whole divided by sine power 4t plus cos power 4t.
Property.
So guys, the moment you see, use King's property. Now by using King's property, integral a to b f of x dx can also be written as same integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. That becomes, now the same I is equals to 1 by 4 integral 0 to pi by 2. There won't be any change in the definite integral limits. In place of t, pi by 2 plus 0 minus t. That becomes pi by 2 minus t whole dt divided by sine pi by 2 minus t will be same cos. So I do write the same expression, sine power 4t plus cos power 4t. Now if you are going to add these two expressions, then finally we get 2y is equals to 1 by 4 times integral 0 to pi by 2. Guys,
denominator same.
T, yes, denominator C. Numerators will be added. T plus pi by 2 minus t. T gets cancelled.
Pi by 2.
So even pi by 2 we can make it out.
And the denominator is going to be same. That's why it's easy.
Yes, sir. 1 by sine power 4t plus cos power 4t whole dt. Now if you see, guys, that's it. Now I is equals to pi divided by 4 to 8 16 is equals to 0 to pi by 2. Let's try to divide both numerator and denominator in terms of let's try to divide both numerator and denominator with cos power 4t.
That's what we do in the NCERT textbook question.
Because whenever you come across such particular expression in terms of even powers of sine, make sure you are expressing in terms of tan.
Sec and tan.
Yes, sir, exactly. So 1 by cos, if you are dividing numerator with 1 by cos power 4, then you get secant power 4t whole divided by sine power 4 by cos power 4.
Tan power
that becomes tan power 4t plus 1 whole dt. That's it. So if you are going to take tan x as t, secant square x dx will be dt. So now let's try to rearrange the things. Take tan t is equals to,
say u.
Take tan 2 is equals to some u.
Yeah.
Now if tan t is equals to u, secant square t dt will be du. Secant square t dt will be du. Here, if you observe, my dear friends, this particular secant power 4 can be written as secant square t into secant square t. Now this secant square t dt will be secant square t dt will be du. What about secant square t?
1 plus tan
1
square.
plus tan square t. That is 1 plus u square. So whole the same I becomes
limit also
pi by
changes,
16. Limits will be changed from now as t is equal when t is 0, u will be 0. And when t is equals to pi by 2, tan pi by 2 is not defined. Limits will be from 0 to infinity. We get 1 plus t square times dt divided by 1 plus t power 4. Even in this, even in yesterday's session also, we discussed the same thing.
Yeah, yesterday or day before yesterday?
Day before yesterday. Dividing
Same
both
thing,
numerator
yeah.
and denominator
Same
with the
thing,
t
yeah.
square. Then you get what happens?
Clear the sides. Sir.
Yes, sir. If you are going to divide both the numerator and denominator with the cos. Yeah, hi friends, hi, good evening all, good evening. Thanks for supporting us. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir, please, we'll recreate it.
Now, if you are going to divide both the numerator and denominator with the t square, then you get I is equals to pi by 16 times integral 0 to infinity 1 by t square. That becomes 1 by t square plus t square by t square 1 whole dt divided by 1 plus t by, that means t square plus 1 by t square.
Remember, subtracting to, adding to.
Adding to, according to the numerator convenience. Now
numerator is positive, subtract and add.
Yes, sir.
Numerator is negative, add and subtract.
Then that becomes, so just add, sorry.
Just subtract
and then add to. Now this term become t minus 1 by t whole square. This particular expression becomes t minus 1 by t whole square. So I is equals to pi by 16 times 0 to infinity t square plus 1. So 1 by t square plus 1 whole dt divided by t square plus 1 by t square minus 2. This becomes t minus 1 by t whole square plus 2. Now if you take this t minus 1 by t as some x or some other variable, t minus 1 by t is equals to some k, some y. Now the numerator becomes, complete numerator becomes dy 1 by t square plus 1 dt will be dy. Even the limits will be changed. I will be equals to pi by 16 times. Suppose if I is 0. Suppose if t is 0. 0 minus 1 by 0. That means minus 1 by 0 is minus infinity. And if t is infinity minus 1 by infinity is 0. So infinity minus 0. So this will be from minus infinity to plus infinity. Whole du dy divided by
y square plus 2.
Y square plus 2. That's it. This is simple expression. This is nothing but y square plus root 2 square. This is clearly 1 by root 2 times tan inverse y by root 2 plus
it's a bit lengthy, so many substitutions.
Yes,
but there is no other way, you have to do it.
Yes, exactly, sir, exactly. So now if you are going to do this particular thing, I is equals to pi by 16 minus infinity to plus infinity. Anyhow we can write it as from 0 to infinity because it's clearly an even function.
Twice 0 to infinity.
So twice 2 times of
no sir.
Yes sir. Pi by 16 times twice integral 0 to infinity dy divided by y square plus root 2 square. That's it. That becomes I is equals to pi by 8 times, directly I am writing. So integral dx by x square plus a square will be 1 by root 2 times tan inverse of y by root 2 plus c. y by root 2
0 to infinity.
0 to infinity. So if you are going to simplify this, just substituting the value, then you will be getting the answer as pi square divided by 16 root 2. Bit lengthy, friends.
Yes,
but the process is so simple.
Because we have done this so many
In
times.
CBSE.
The first part is the only one you have to be careful, substituting 2x.
Exactly,
After
sir,
that,
exactly.
it's just a repeated process.
Exactly, sir. Exactly.
Okay.
Guys, now coming to the next question, sir. Brovin, sir, please.
Okay, I'll do, sir. Okay,
Thank you,
fine.
sir.
So
Thank you.
this is a simple, again, a concept based on matrices and determinants. Just basic properties of determinants, my dears. They want you to find the determinant of x, but we know that x is a c squared a transpose. Product property says that it's going to be determinant of a, it's going to be determinant of c squared, it's determinant of a transpose. And property again, determinant of a transpose is same as determinant of a, my dears. Yes, so a is going to be again determinant of a squared, determinant of c squared. Now let's go behind what's c first of all. Your C is what, my dears? A, B, A transpose. So determinant of A squared, determinant of A, B, A transpose squared.
Exactly.
So it's going to be determinant of A squared, again determinant of A squared, determinant of B squared, again A transpose is same as A, because in determinant of A transpose is same as determinant of A. How many A transposes came? Determinant of A raised to 6.
Yes, sir.
And then determinant of B squared.
Yes, sir.
Determinant of A squared, basic determinant. From this it's very clear. Determinant of A is equal to 2 plus 1, which is 3, which is 3 raised to 6. And determinant of B, again, my dears, determinant of B is equal to 1, so it's 1 square. So it's just basic 3 raised to 6. 3 raised to 6 is 729. You just got to apply property. So one long question, one easy question.
Exactly.
This can be done under 15 seconds, my dears. Next one, basic AP.
Wow.
Yes.
Second question from AP, sir.
Yes, second question from AP. So just see this. First AP talks about an AP starting from 3, 7, 11. So we know that the first term is 3 and the common difference is 4. The second AP talks about, the second AP is saying that first term is 2 and the common difference is 3. Now they want to find the sum of the common terms. See, very easy thing is, when you talk about common terms, the new AP will have a common difference which is the LCM of the first two.
Given to AP.
Very simple. The LCM of the first two will be the common difference of the first two. Okay? Now it's going to be 12. So my new AP has a common difference 12. Now just to see this, when you keep writing like this, the next term in this AP is definitely 11. Yes? Can you see that the first term common to both the APs is 11?
Yes.
And the common difference is 12. So you know that it's going to go like this. And if it goes like this, what is going to be the last term common in both of them?
395, sir?
Yes, definitely 395 is easy question.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes, very easy logic. 395 will be the last common term in both of the APs. Now I want you to find the sum of the terms here. So what is Sn? We have to first find out what is n. N would be the position of the last term. So 395 is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So 395 is equal to 11 plus n minus 1 D is 12. 395 minus 11, 384. 384 divided by 12 is equal to n minus 1. And that's going to be 12 3s are 36, 12 2s are 24 plus 1. So we have 33 terms in this AP. So substitute in the formula n by 2 into first term plus last term. It is 33, first term 11, last term 395 is going to be 406 divided by 2. So the answer is 33 into 203. Yes? So what is
699, huh?
6699? Yes, definitely. It's
Exactly.
obvious. 6699. Easy question, my dears. Again, second question from AP, my dears. Second
sir.
question. So, yes, paper was lengthy. Yes, because calculus part was made lengthy. But there were questions like this, make it easy for you.
Exactly,
Okay?
yes, sir.
Next question. Yes,
Oh,
sir.
sir, again from calculus.
And again, see, repeatedly, we last time also when we discussed, we said
Yes,
when the
sir, yes.
denominator has exponential
Exponential
form.
thing.
See, same thing coming back again.
So
Minus
just
a to a.
Take the given expression as I, friends. Take first given expression as I. Now if you see this particular thing by using King's property anyhow, integral a to b f of x dx can be written as integral same a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. That becomes same minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 8 root 2 cos x 8 root 2 cos of pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus x. So cos of minus x is anyhow same cos x by 1 plus e power minus sin x into 1 plus sine power same 4x you get. Now if you are going to add these two expressions, there you get 2y is equals to from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2,
right?
whatever the expression that you have in terms of exponential
that
in
will
denominator,
disappear.
that will disappear. So the only thing which will be left over will be 8 root 2 cos x whole divided by 1 plus sine power 4x dx.
Basic substitution, sir.
Now yes, exactly, as this is clearly an even function, we can still write it as 0 to integral minus a to plus a can be written as 0 twice 0 to a. So that becomes 2y is equals to twice 0 to pi by 2 8 root 2 cos x whole divided by 1 plus sine power 4x dx. Get this 8 root 2 also to this particular left hand side. Sorry, I is equals to 8 root 2 times integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x whole divided by 1 plus sine power 4x dx. Friends, it is very simple substitution. When you have sine in the denominator and cos, only cos in the numerator, no other go, take sin x is equals to t. So if you take sin x is equals to t, what happens, boss? Now that becomes cos x dx will be dt. So limits will be from sin x when x is 0 to 1. When x is pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is 1. So 8 root 2 times integral 0 to 1 dt divided by 1 plus t power 4.
Again t raised to 4.
Majority of the students.
See, second times again coming today.
Exactly, sir. Majority of the students will be stopping at this particular step. They don't know how to approach in the next thing. So the thing is very simple, guys. See, we have to whenever we have integral thing, we are supposed to evaluate integral such that making it in terms of particular pairs or expressing numerator in terms of denominator or expressing numerator in terms of differential of denominator. Now if you see this particular thing, denominator anyhow in the previous cases whenever we have 1 plus t power 4 dividing with t square, so that becomes 1 by t square plus t power 4, so you get t square plus this can be written as clearly t square plus 1 by t square if you are going to divide with the t square only. If you are going to divide, so that means I can write 1 by t square whole divided by
0 to 1.
Now I can either add plus 2 or minus 2 according to my convenience. Now in this particular way, if you see here, you have only 1 by t square. Either you take this u or this u, anything, you are not going to get the complete form. For that, what you are supposed to do is arranging the terms. Arranging the terms is very important. I would like to write, I just take 1 2 inside, 4 root 2 into 2 by t square. This becomes 2 by t square.
That is 1 by t square plus 1 by t square.
Yes, this 2 by t square, let me write it as sum of 1 by t square plus 1 by t square. Just in the previous question itself we have seen, if we can able to express as 1 plus 1 by t square or 1 minus 1 by t square, then easily we can evaluate it. For that, just add 1 and subtract 1. Add 1 and subtract 1. Now this whole thing can be rearranged as, in numerator we are supposed to have only 2 by t square. For that, 1 plus 1 by t square minus half
1 minus 1 by t square. Excellent,
sir. If you are going to simplify, we will be getting the same 2 by t square.
And then split it according to what you read in the numerator.
Yes, when we have 1 plus 1 by t square, denominator, if we can write it as t minus 1 by t whole square, that numerator becomes dt now. So that's as good. We have subtracted 2, put plus 2, and here write t plus 1 by t whole square, as minus we have kept 2. Plus 2 here, just keep minus t, dt. That's it, ho gaya. Now this we can see. So this is clearly, suppose if you take this particular thing as some k1 and k2, clearly we have 1 by x square plus a square and 1 by x square minus a square. That's it, guys. Hope you can do it. And in that way, I'll just give you the answer. If you are going to simplify it, you will be getting 2 pi plus 2 times log 3 plus 2 root 2. That means the value of A is 2, B is 2. They are just asking us to find the value of A plus B, which is equals to 2 plus 2, 4. That's
option
it.
1.
Option 1.
We are not showing this because we have already done this few times already.
Many times.
2 classes before. Today also we did one logic, the same question.
Exactly,
you just had to
sir.
got to express it like this. That's all, my dear students.
So just take care of this particular arrangement. That's important.
Yes, sir. Next question.
Going to the next question, guys.
Again calculus.
Again calculus, friends. That too. Linear differential equation.
Shall I add something, sir? Can you see this entire expression is completely in terms of t, and one single x is hiding here? Then linear differential.
No matter what, it is going to be
linear differential only.
Exactly, sir. Exactly. So, friends, clearly we can see, just get dt to this side, then becomes dx by dt. Here we have extra t plus 1. Let's try to divide with the t plus 1 both sides. Then you get 2x divided by t plus 1. Plus a t plus 1 whole cube by t plus 1, that becomes t plus 1
whole square.
So clearly we can write it as dx by dt minus 2 by or plus x times minus 2 divided by t plus 1 is equals to t plus 1 whole square. So friends, this is clearly of the form linear differential in x. This is clearly of the form dx by dt plus some x times a function in px plus is equals to q square, is equals to some q.
So
now,
this is p, this is q.
Let's find if. Integrating factor if is equals to e raised to integral of p dt.
P dt this time.
Integral p dt will be minus 2 by 1 plus t. That becomes e raised to minus 2 by 1 plus t becomes, that becomes integral, minus 2 times log mod t plus 1. Log mod t plus 1. Now this log mod 2 plus 1, as we have base e, this also base e, by using logarithm properties, this we can write it as
1 by t plus 1
whole square. That's it, guys. Now once you are done with this,
the simple solution,
integrate final solution will be x times
integrative factor.
So 1 by t plus 1 whole square will be equals to integral
q times
dt.
Q is t plus 1 squared, sir.
Yes, sir. Q times if dt. That becomes integral q is t plus 1 whole square. If is 1 by t plus 1 whole square. If you are going to multiply this, you will be getting 1 dt, which is nothing but t plus c. So x by t plus 1 whole square is equals to t plus c. X is equals to t plus 1 whole square times t plus c. They have given values for suppose if t is 0, x is 2.
T is 0, x is 2.
So put 2 is equals to 0 plus 1. 1 times
0 plus c.
So which is nothing but c is equals to 2. Now substitute c is equals to 2 and get the required thing.
Now put here c is equal to 2 and put t is equal to 1.
Yes, sir,
you will get the value of x.
Therefore finally x is equals to 1 plus 1 whole square, that is 2 square, which is equals to 4 times t plus c. 1 plus 2, 3. So 4 3s are 12 you get. That's it. So simple question, friends. So simple. Just rearranging the things, then you will be easily identifying this belong to linear differential equation in x. That's it. Okay. Going to the next question. Praveen sir?
Yes, simple arrangements. Great. See here the question says there are 5 people who are to be distributed in 4 identical rooms. That is important. That is a confusion. If that word was not, it was easy. Identical rooms, we have to consider it manually. So they are allowing us to put 0 people also in a room. So let us try different possibilities, my dears. We have 4 identical rooms, my dears. I can go for different ways of doing it. In the first way, I can say I put all the 5 people in one room. I say, hey, everybody go to the same room. Exactly. Then what will happen to the other rooms? Everybody is 0. And this can be done in how many ways, my dears? Only in one way, because it is 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial, which is 1. So we can do this only in one way, my dears. Same logic. What if I put 4 people in one room? And I tell to one person, go to some other room you like. He can choose any room he wants. So let's say 4 1 0 0. Yes, so sir. That's going to be 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 1 factorial. Yes, which is going to be 5
Yes, sir.
The same logic, what if 3 people go in one room, 2 people go in another room, then 0, 0. Then it is going to be again 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial, which is going to be 5 into 4, 20 by 2, 10. Which is 10. So now, what if 3 people go again in one room, but one person goes in 1, 0?
Yes, sir.
So what's going to happen? It's going to be what? 5 factorial by 3 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial, but 1 is repeating. When repetitions come in arrangements,
divide with 2.
Number of repetitions, which is 2 factorial, which is again going to be 10 for us. So next combination, let's try 2, 2, 1, 0. Yes, 2 to 1, 0. Same logic if you apply 5 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial, but 2 is repeating, again 2 factorial. So what is your answer? 5 by 5 into 4. Is this right, Karthik?
Yeah, exactly, sir, exactly.
So it's going to be 5 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 is repeating, 2 factorial.
Yes,
right?
sir.
So 5 into 4 by?
Whole you will be getting 15, sir.
Yes. So we can just add it up now?
Yes, sir.
Or did I miss any case?
No, sir. All clear.
Okay, 30. Okay, so what's the final answer? We get
51.
51. We can do it in 51 different ways.
Just adding all these things, we'll be getting 51, sir.
Okay. Next, okay, again,
yes, sir.
Repeat
Again,
calculus. But the thing is, I like this guy.
Sir, yes, sir.
I like this guy so much because whenever a function f of x with another function f of 1 by x comes, immediately what they say is you replace
x with
1 by x. You make a new equation by replacing x with 1 by x. It's a technique that always is applied. So your equation is going to be 5 f into 1 by x plus 4 f of x is equal to 1 by x squared minus 4. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. From solving 1 and 2, you will be able to get f of 1 by x. Just simple solution.
Exactly.
So Karthik sir, can you give me, let's not waste time.
Yes, sir.
Give me the expression for f of 1
So
by
directly
x.
we will be taking, sir.
Yeah, we can just get me the expression for f of 1 by x.
So 9 times f of x is equals to
9 times f of x.
Directly we will
I want the value of f of x, that's all.
Okay,
Let's
yes,
not
sir.
waste time.
9 times f of x is equals to
Okay.
5x square minus 4 by x square
Okay.
minus 4.
Minus 4.
Yes, sir.
So I got a replacement for f of 1 by x. I got a substitution here. So
This is what our 9 times f of x, sir.
So we can substitute over there. Yes. So y is equal to 9 times f of x
into x squared. We are supposed to.
That's equal to 5x squared minus 4 by x squared minus 4 into x squared.
Yes.
So what is our y now?
Just multiply with 5x
So
power
5x power 4
minus
4 minus 4x squared. Now I want to show strictly increasing.
Yes, sir.
So dy by dx must be
Positive.
strictly greater than 0. So what is dy by dx? 20x cube minus 8x. So x into, so I can say 4x into
5x square minus 2.
Yeah. 5x squared minus 2. This must be greater than 0. Just we will do the wavy curve. Yes.
Exactly,
it happens on 0. It happens on positive root 2 by root 5. It happens on negative root 2 by root 5. And your wavy curve is positive, negative, positive, negative. Now they want, where is it strictly increasing? After root 2 by root 5 and between minus, see this part and this part. And that's obvious. Option 4. After root 2 by root 5 and between minus root 2 by root 5 and 0. Very simple question, my dears. The logic behind these kind of questions is always replace x with 1 by x and find a new equation like this and solve both of them and get an expression for f of 1 by x.
Exactly.
Okay? And we eliminate f of 1 by x, I get a substitution for f of x. That's all. Simple logic, my dears.
Super, sir. Super.
Yes. Sir,
Oh, geometry, sir.
geometry, you do this
Thank
time.
you, sir. Thank you. So, friends, coming to this particular geometry question, a simple question. If we are good aware of standard forms, then we will be able to solve it particular question very easily. A hyperbola is given and an ellipse is given. These two has eccentricities as mentioned as EH and EE. Now then theta is equals to, acha, fine. So guys, let's try to express these two equations in standard
forms.
X square minus y square divided by sine square theta is equals to 5. But in standard form we should have only, so let's take 5 also to the denominator.
Yes.
In the same way, ellipse we have x square divided by sine square theta plus y square by 1 is equals to 5. Divide with 5, then you get x square divided by 5 sine square theta plus y square divided by 5 is equals to 1. Now, so just simple, they are asking us to find eccentricity. What is the eccentricity of hyperbola? EH is equals to square root of 1 plus b square by a square. So 5 sine square theta divided by 5, that becomes 1 plus sine square theta.
Yes.
Whereas eccentricity of ellipse E is equals to under root 1 minus b square by a square, 1 minus
b squared.
1 minus.
So this time b squared is going to be 5 sine square theta, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because sine theta is between minus 1 and 1. So it's be
yes. So 1 minus, now we can say 1 minus a square by b square, that becomes sine square 1
theta.
minus sine square theta.
Yes.
So they have given a relation between EH and EE. Let's try to substitute that. We can just square it. Then you get E square H is equals to 7 times EE square.
Yes.
That becomes 1 plus sine square theta is equals to 7 times 1 minus sine square theta. So from here, friends, minus 7 sine square theta comes to this side, 8 sine square theta is equals to 7 minus 1, 6. From here, sine square theta is equals to 6 by 8, 3 by 4. Sine theta is equals to plus or minus root 3 whole divided by 2. But
we are only having acute angles, sir. So we have to
it should be only positive. So if sine theta is equals to root 3 by 2, then theta is equals to 60 degrees. That is pi by 3. So simple. Just by standard forms. By using standard forms, we can get the required solution, friends. Next, another one. Yeah. This is second question from probability.
Probability.
Oh,
Yes.
great. Very good question, friends. Very good. A bag contains 8 black balls. Of those, some are black, some are white. If 4 balls are
only
chosen,
2 options, black and white.
Yes, some are white and only 2. If 4 balls are chosen without replacement, then 2 white balls and 2 black balls are found.
That means 2 and white is 2 and black is confirmed. You cannot go less than that.
Then the probability that number of white and black balls are same
in the bag.
So that is our required first thing. What are the different probabilities? Let's see. First, if we have 2 white balls, then we'll be having 6 black balls.
Yeah, 2 white, 6 black.
2 white, 6 black. Or second
3 white,
3 white,
5 black.
5 black balls.
Yes.
Or 4 white,
4 black balls.
4 black balls.
Or 5 white,
5 white,
3 black balls.
3 black balls.
And 6
Last
white,
is 6 white,
and 2 black balls.
2 black balls. It can't be less than, black balls can't be less than 2.
And white balls
can't be less than 2. So these
5
are our
different-
like 5
5
possible
difference,
cases that we have.
possibilities.
But of these thing, what is our required thing?
Equal.
Find the probability that number
Equal.
of white and black balls are
Equal.
same in the bag. So this
Only
is
one.
our required thing. That's
Yeah.
it. So just by the classical definition of probability,
Yes.
number of favorable outcomes by
Total number of outcomes.
Now, if we have this particular bag, of this, what is the probability of selecting 2 white, 2 black? That is nothing but clearly
4C2
into 4C2 whole divided by 8C4. This is our required thing. This
Required
is our
probability.
favorable whole divided by. Now suppose if you are going in this particular case, if you are going to select 2 white and 2
6
black,
black.
2 white and 2 black, then you get 2C2 into 6C2 whole divided by 8C4. Total we have 8 balls, of those 4 are supposed to be. Plus 3C2 into 5C2
divided
whole
by
divided by
8C4.
8C4 plus same again 4C2 into 4C2 whole divided by 8C4. Actually, this is also same. So these two I can just multiply
with 2. That's it.
And 8C4
Everywhere
can be-
8C4 is a cancel it off.
That's it. If you are going to simplify this, then you will be getting the final answer.
2 by 7, sir.
2 by 7. Just
Easy.
to simplifying.
Just simplification
just
only.
to simplifying. You
Easy.
get the required
Easy
answer as-
question. Looks very complicated, but it's just basic probability definition is
Exactly,
enough.
sir. Just
Because the chances of all these to occur is the same. That is why. Otherwise, you have to go after base theorem ideas. That'll be easier. Okay.
If a student can able to figure out this, then
Done.
70%.
The equal chance of all these 5 cases to occur. That's why we are not using anything. Just basic probability.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next
Great,
question.
sir. Oh, next question, sir. Geometry part. Aapka?
Okay, I'll do, sir.
Great,
okay,
sir.
if two circles x squared plus y squared equal to 4 and x squared plus y squared minus 4 lambda x plus 9 equal to 0 intersect at two distinct points. They must intersect at two distinct points, my dears. The first circle definitely has center 0, 0 and the radius of that circle is 2. Okay, the second circle is given in general form with center 2 lambda comma 0. Center is 2 lambda comma 0 and the radius of this is going to be 4 lambda squared
Yes, sir. 4 lambda square
minus 9. That's going
Square
to be the
root of-
radius. Okay, that's going to be the radius of this circle. Okay, it's going to be 4 lambda squared minus 9. Now they have to intersect at two distinct points. When two circles intersect at two distinct points,
The condition
the
that we already
condition
know. Yes.
we must know that
Mod
modulus
R1
of
minus
R1 minus R2
should be less than-
less than the distance between the two centers should be
than
less than
sum of the
R1
two
plus
radius.
R2. This is the condition to remember when two circles are intersecting. Okay, intersecting at two distinct points. So what's going to be mod R1 minus R2? The radius of the first one is 2 and minus the radius of the second one is root of 4 lambda squared minus 9. Less than. What is the distance between the two centers? The first center is 0, 0. The second center is 2 lambda comma 0. Basic 2 lambda. The only distance from the origin 2 lambda. Why modulus? To keep it positive. Now what's R1 plus R2? 2 plus root of 4 lambda squared minus 9. Okay, now you can see that everywhere there is a 2. I can just take the 2 to the other side. I can clearly see that mod 2 lambda minus 2 is less than 2 plus, sorry, not 2, root of
4 lambda
4
square
lambda squared minus 9.
We can
Then square both sides. Just square both sides. You will get 4 lambda squared
Plus
minus 2 to 4 8 mod lambda plus 4 is less than 4 lambda squared minus 9. 4 lambda squared, 4 lambda squared cancelled. I get minus 8 lambda. So I'll take it mod positive 8 lambda is greater than, it's going to be 13. Okay, so lambda
greater than
mod lambda is greater than 3 by 8. So lambda should be between, should be greater than 13 by 8 or should be less than negative 13 by 8.
Super, sir.
Either greater than 13 by 8 or less than minus 13 by 8. Option 2. Very simple. This condition is what matters here. Intersecting circles. Condition is this. Okay.
Exactly.
Next. Again.
Wow. Super.
Oh, this is just conjugate of each other.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
These are just conjugate of each other. If you want, you can just check. If I take t as root 3 plus root 2,
this becomes
1 by t is going to be root 3 minus root 2. Just check it if you want. Rationalize and check. Okay. So I can write this expression as t raised to x plus 1 by t raised to x is equal to 10 by 3. These are some basic forms you study in your regular JEE classes, my dears. In basic mathematics, you study these things. So you just try to substitute t raised to x as something else so that it will be easy for you. Y plus 1 by y is equal to 10 by 3. So y squared plus 1 by y is equal to 10 by 3. Simplify the expression. 3y squared plus 3 equals 10y. I get a quadratic equation 3y squared minus 10y plus 3. Simple
y is
quadratic.
3 or 1 by 3?
Yes, y is going to be 3y minus 1 or y minus 1 equal to 0. So y is equal to 1 by 3 or y is equal to 1. Oh, yes, sorry, y is equal to 3, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
so y is equal to 3. So what is the question here? How many solutions are possible?
For each one we get one.
You get one solution.
That's
so
it, direct.
definitely don't waste your time. You got two values for y, so you get two values for x and you will get two values for the solution. Finished. So two possible solutions are existing. Don't waste your time to find the solutions, my dears. Okay?
Yes.
Easy question. Yes, sir. Karthik sir.
So thank you, sir. Super, super. Yes, question. It's a simple question from trigonometry, friends. They have given tan A, tan B, tan C. If a question is asked from trigonometry, NTA feels like they wish to give you a 4-mark in your pocket. That's it. So guys, if you just understand the relationship between tan A, tan B and tan C, guys, if you are going to multiply these two, what happens? Tan A into tan B.
I think
going
it's
to
better
get
to
anything?
multiply these two, sir.
If you yes, as you have numerator root x and denominator root x,
it's better to
if you are going
multiply
to
that.
multiply
I get tan A.
tan B into tan C, then root x gets cancelled. Square root of root x square plus 1, root of x square plus 1 will be getting tan square of A. That's it.
Finished.
So tan B into tan
Just
C
basic
is
observation.
Yes, exactly.
I think this question came, I think last year also same pattern, one question came.
Yes, sir, yes, sir,
repeated,
yes, sir,
2003.
So tan B times tan C is equals to tan square A. Sir, many students are awaiting for our response, sir.
Yes.
Yes, hi
Guys,
Taigun.
yes, guys.
Hi, Karthik.
Thank you for your support, my dears.
Hi Joseph Stalin,
Yes.
writing yes. Hi K.A. Paul. Hi Srikanth.
Srikanth. Yes, so many students, so many are there. It's very difficult to read all the names.
Thank you so much for
thank
your
you
love.
for love
Thank you
and
so much
support,
for
my
your
dears.
support. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so just
now tan B
direct.
times tan C is equals to tan square A. If you are going to just see, friends, when we have tan B times tan C is equals to tan square A, we can take a particular case where A is equals to B is equals to C. Can we, sir?
Yes, sir.
If tan A
Definitely.
is equal, if A equals to B equals to C, clearly we can say tan A into tan B into tan B into tan C is equals to
Tan squared,
A.
because B and C and A are equal.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely. Now, one more important thing. They are asking us to get the value of A plus B. So, can we take a particular value called if A is equals to B is equals to?
We have to just think of some values. That's
Yes,
all.
sir. Exactly.
I think it would be 30 is good.
30?
Yeah. If I put 30, is it good?
A equals to B equals to pi by 3, pi by 3, pi by 3?
No, pi by 6, pi by 6.
Pi by 6, pi by 6, pi by 6. We
Yes.
can, sir. We can. Suppose if A is equals to B is equals to C is equals to pi by 6.
Because the reason is, sir, if I put x equal to 1 here, I get 1 by root 3, so pi by 6.
Super, super. A most simplest way. No need to bother much
Bother
about
much
it.
anything else.
So now I get that becomes, from here I can say clearly A plus B plus C is equals to pi by 6 plus pi by 6 plus pi by 6, which
Pi
is
by
equals
2.
to pi by 2. Now they are asking from the question,
What
A
is A
plus
plus
B
B?
is equals to pi by 2 minus C.
Just
There is
take the option.
no necessary of taking any particular any other method also. You can go just by verification.
Just
thing.
verification is enough for this.
Verification is just enough. Now going to the next question, friends. Limit extends to 0. It's a very good question from calculus part. Limit extends to 0. Cos inverse of 1 minus fractional part of x square into sin inverse of 1 minus fractional part of x whole divided by fractional part of x plus fractional part of x cube. Here the most important thing is evaluating that fractional part.
They are not asking to check the existence of limit.
Yes.
They are just taking L as left hand limit, R as right hand limit, getting a relationship only.
In between those two.
Just find both L and R.
First, let me go with first find LHL or RHL.
Okay, right hand limit.
RHL, nothing but limit extends to
0
plus. Friends, whenever we have as extends to just positive, fractional part of, that is,
What is the fractional part of
X will be-
something which is slightly more than that? It is the same number.
That's it.
So that is fractional part
So
of X
fractional
is
part of
equal
X will
to
be X
X only.
So that's the beauty here. That is limit extends to 0 plus
Cos inverse of 1 minus X squared.
1 minus, directly I can write X square into
Sin
sin inverse of 1 minus X. I can write
divided by
X plus X cube. X plus X cube. I can just take X common, that becomes 1 plus X square.
So I think there is a mistake in the question, sir.
Minus, huh?
Ah, yes, it's minus in the denominator.
Yes, sir.
This is minus, sir.
So then I get here X of 1 minus X square.
Yes.
That's it. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Now see guys, if you are going to substitute X is equals to 0 here, these are the two terms which don't have any effect at all.
Yeah.
So if you just take X is equals to 0, sin inverse 1 is
Pi by 2.
Pi by 2 divided by 1. I can take pi by
That's
2
a
out.
constant out. Pi by 2.
Pi by 2 into limit extends to 0 cos inverse of 1 minus X squared divided by X. Now clearly this is
not defined 0 by 0.
When we are taking
0 by 0, 0 by
cos
0.
inverse 1 is 0 by
Hospital
0.
rule.
Yes, sir, exactly. Now as it is 0 by 0 form, take hospital rule.
Hospital, that is better.
Just have some patience in differentiating cos inverse of 1 minus X square. So that becomes, actually this is what R, sir. So R is equals to
pi by
2 times
minus
limit extends to 0 plus
numerator.
cos inverse X differentiation will be
minus 1 by root
over 1
minus
of
1 minus X squared
into
there is a square
1 minus X square whole square
into derivative 1 minus X squared minus 2X divided by 1.
That's it. Minus gets, no need to simplify, just put X is equals to 0. So R will be equals to pi by 2 times, just put 0. So just put X is equals to, or no, let's try to simplify this particular thing. What is 1 minus X square? 1 minus X square whole square will be 1 plus X power 4 minus 2X square. Now this 1 gets cancelled. 1 gets cancelled. In brackets we have 1 minus 1. So
that will get cancelled.
we'll be getting only
X raised to 4
power 4 minus 2X square. From there, if X square takes
comes
common,
out X squared minus 1.
X square minus 2. That's it. X square minus 2 only will be left in the...
And that is in the square root. It will cancel the X over here.
Yes, sir. That's it. So
2
that
by
becomes R is equals to pi by 2 whole divided by 1 minus X square whole square.
in the
That
denominator
becomes
1 by, you will get something like 1 by.
If you are going to cancel X and X, you will be getting 1 by, sir, directly 1 by root 2. Pi by 2 root 2. Yes?
No, sir. It's going to be root 2 in the numerator, no? Because
We have everything is in
we have a
numerator.
2 also here.
So 2 by root 2. That becomes
Pi by root 2.
R is equals to pi by root 2.
Yes.
We got. Now we have found the value of capital R. Now take the value of small r. Capital L is equals to left hand limit. Limit extends to 0 minus. Limit extends to 0 minus. From there we get limit extends to 0 minus cos inverse of, when X tends to 0 minus, if you
0
just
minus
understand
means
the fractional part graph from X tends to
What, so we can just say
0
with
to
a
1.
simple example, sir. Fractional part of negative 0.5
will be 1 minus of
1 minus of the original number.
Exactly, sir.
Which is going to be 1 minus X.
So 1 minus X. Yes.
Fractional part of something less than 0 is 1 minus X.
Yes, sir. 1 plus X. 1 plus X. Okay. Now if you see, guys, if you understand this particular thing, cos inverse of 1 minus of, in place of box X we can write 1 plus X whole square into sin inverse of 1 minus of 1 plus X whole divided by X
1 plus X
1 plus X
minus
1 plus X whole cube. So from, we can just simplify it in a very easy way, friends. If you are going to do this particular thing, now we get 1 cos inverse of limit extends to 0 minus, I think there are no, like, okay, fine. Sin inverse of, this is sin inverse of 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, sin inverse of minus x whole divided by limit extends to 0 minus cos inverse of
If I
1
put
minus
0,
of 1 plus x square. That
cos
becomes
inverse 0, which is pi by 2.
Oh, directly we can
Directly we can
no,
write.
no, not necessary at all.
Yeah.
Cos inverse of 0 we get directly pi by 2 times minus sin inverse x we get whole divided by 1 plus x whole 1 plus x common 1 plus x times 1 minus of 1 plus x whole square. 1 plus x whole square is 1 plus x square plus 2x. That becomes finally
1 and 1 cancels.
1 gets cancelled. Again this minus 1 and 1 gets cancelled. Then you get finally limit extends to 0 pi by 2 times minus sin inverse x whole divided by 1 plus x times minus x square minus 2x. You can take minus x again common. There you get x of x plus 2. Now sin inverse minus sin inverse x by x, you will be getting plus 1, which implies limit extends to 0 pi by 2 whole divided by 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 2, that becomes 2, which is pi by 4. Now we have got L value, we have got R value. Just get a simple relationship from L and R. Sir, what will be the relation between L and R, sir? Directly.
Getting the answer, root 2 R is equal to 4L.
That's it. We have R is equals to pi by root 2 and L is equals to pi by 4. That means root 2 times R will be pi, 4 times L will be pi.
Yes.
So root 2R is equals to 4L.
So pi is equal to pi, so easy.
Super
Just
question.
comparison.
Super question. Just bit lengthy, that's it.
And also it's confusing even because you might have not been used to limits of inverse trigonometry functions.
Exactly,
Only
sir,
that
exactly.
makes it difficult. So I'll do the next one, sir.
Yes, sir. Please,
It's
sir.
simple
Please, sir.
again.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's my question. So it's relations and functions.
Super question, sir.
A, B, where A divides B. Yes, so I have to find out all the pairs for R1, which says that A is going to be in such a way that A divides B. So I can say 1, 1, 1, 2, like that up to 120. If I say 2, then 2, 2, 2, 4, up to 220.
Exactly, sir.
So if I keep going like this, if I come to 20, it's only one pair called 20, 20.
Wow.
So I'm not going to waste time by counting all this. I can say that there are 66 pairs
super, sir.
in
Super
R1.
calculation.
I've already done that, so it's already 66 pairs in that. Now when I go for R2, it's in such a way that they want only the pairs where A is a multiple of B, and that happens only how?
1,
means
2,
1,
3,
2,
4, 4, and so on, 20, 20.
20,
We'll be having
20.
only 20 elements, sir.
In that we will have only what? 20 elements, and it's very surprising that all these 20 are there in R1 also.
So just we have to subtract the
Yeah,
intersection.
so what is n of R1 minus R2? It
N
is
of
simple.
R1
R1 minus
N of
n of
R1
R1
intersection R2.
sets chapter 1 grade 11.
Exactly,
So n
sir.
of R1
Exactly.
is 66 and n of R1 intersection R2 will be 20 because all these 20 elements are there in R1 also. So 66 minus 20, it's 46. That is your numerical value for this question. Easy question, but the only time consuming thing is you just taking the pairs. Okay, now my dear is the last question. Okay, and that too very simple. You are just looking at a equation with 3 variables. I want to find the number of possible solutions for this. For that, first of all, make it like 42 minus 3 z. This is the logic for finding for a number of integer solutions for an equation with 3 variables.
Exactly.
Okay, now let us try to think like this. Like I am saying, let z is equal to 0.
Wow.
If z is equal to 0, what are the possible values I can give for x and y? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So I can just think, just imagine y is going to be 1, and if y can reach 21,
yes,
2 into 21 is 42. In that case, x is 0, y can come from
0 to
0 to 21.
Exactly.
So there are from 0 to 21 there are 22 possible values. Next, I will try for z equal to 1.
In that
if I
case-
say z is equal to 1, then
2 minus 3, 39.
39. This is going to be 42 minus 3, 39. For 39,
Y can
I
take-
can take value of y from 0 to 19. 19 twos are 38.
Yes.
I cannot go beyond 19. 20 means because 40. It's not possible. It will go beyond 39.
No negative
so,
solution.
0 to 19,
20
I have
solutions.
20 possible values. Okay? Karthik sir,
Yes,
let
sir.
me not waste time for this.
Yes, in
okay,
same
like this
way.
possibility, I can go for z up to what, sir?
21, sir.
21.
Yes.
I can go to 21 for z, and if I go to 21, and that's only one possible
particular
value,
solution.
which
Yes,
is
sir.
going to be 21. So in that case, I have to add all the possibilities which can be done like this. I just-
169 cases, sir.
169 cases. Just think the logic like this. 1, z equal to 1, 39.
How
I'll
many
do one
possible-
more just for confusion to be avoided. Z is equal to 2, 42 minus 36. 42 minus 6 is going to be 36.
Exactly.
Of 36 means it'll come from 0 to
18.
18. 2s are 36.
19.
So 19 possible cases.
Super,
so
sir.
I keep adding all the possibilities up to z is equal to 21. Manually you have to do it because of 3 variables with the 2 coefficients. If only one coefficient was there, it was very easy. But there are 2 coefficients, 2 and 3. That's why. Okay? So we got 16 questions here, possible questions we got, and that's all verified. And please, my dear students, this is going to continue like this with Brilliant, and we are going to come back with more and more live sessions for every exam ideas. So again, see you next time on the next phase of JEE. Okay, see you.
Great, sir. Great,
Okay.
great, sir. Great, great.
Okay,
Hooray,
fine.
hooray,
Thank you.
hooray.
Thank
My
you,
dear
all of you.
students, thank you so much for all of us who have been supporting. Thank you so much for for all my dear students for your continuous support. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, friends, next we'll be going with the chemistry paper explanation.
And the
Our
chemistry faculties
super
are
heroes
here.
are going
The
to be-
superstars are here. They're going to come with the next session, my dears. Thank you, and good night.
Bye everyone. Take care. Love you all.
Brilliant Qatar, your trusted coaching partner for IIT, JEE, NEET, Science and Commerce tuitions with 10 years of excellence in quality training. Brilliant Qatar.
Good morning.
Good morning. What's all this? Your results. Congratulations to all. Keep in mind, your first challenge is the entrance, whether it's IIT, JEE, SAT, or NEET. You have to learn from the masters. Brilliant Qatar is the passport to your success.
Hi everyone, welcome to
Amazing channel of Brilliant Katha.
When you're rubbing one body with another body, electrons are transferred from one object to what? Another object. Okay, this process, this type of electricity is been given a name.
halogen connected carbon sp3, then it's connected to benzene. See all of you, halogen connected. What is this carbon hybridization? Full single bond sp3, see then a benzene ring.
Denominator poles shouldn't be included in the denominator poles. That means the denominator, these -1 and -5 should never be included in the solution.
Homocircle caudal fin. It's giving 2 equal lobes. But in case of cartless fishes, look at here, one big lobe is there, one small lobe is there. You cannot cut into 2 equal half this fin.
authentic,
comprehensive,
accurate.
we are here, Team Brilliant. Are you ready?
Yes.
I hope you all are ready for the chemistry session. Here is the final session of our JEE, the final 5th day of. Actually, we have to take it as a celebration. I think in this year, the chemistry paper, I think they're giving lot of marks for your examination. Am I right?
Sure.
So
that was very easy sessions.
very easy paper.
They can score very well.
Yes.
Like that.
Yeah,
Most
comparing
of
with
the
the
questions.
previous paper, this time it was so easy. So keep on supporting. We are going to start the energetic session.
Yeah.
Be online and keep on supporting.
Be with us always, okay?
Till the end of the session,
Yeah,
keep
now
the
it's the
energy.
fire
Oh yeah,
started,
it's
okay,
coming,
already.
sir. Coming,
Yeah.
come.
Today, I think we are going to make a fire in the class also, because every time we are saying you that please give some support and fire in the chat box and all. Even today in the class itself, we are going to make that fire.
Okay.
So with a quick revision, we are going to deal with the entire chemistry area. With a fast revision, we can discuss the question.
Yeah,
right?
shall we go to the first question,
Yes,
sir?
next
Yes.
first
Keep
question.
on
Let's start
supporting.
from.
Be there.
Yes,
We are going to
So
start.
those are in online. I think many students, they already written the examination today, and they are keep saying that yes, today they written the examination.
Yeah.
I think the chemistry exam paper was easy, right?
Yes. Hope
Can you
all
comment
have
in the chat
done
box?
well this time.
Yeah. It's coming.
Can you comment in the chat box, all of you, the today's chemistry exam paper, whether it was easy or not? Can you say?
Yeah. Anyhow, I
Yes,
think it's
we
coming.
can start the.
we can- yeah,
We can
okay.
start it.
Right.
We can start it. Yeah.
Yes, let's go.
It's coming.
Yes, let's
Yeah,
go.
now it's
Correct.
coming. Okay.
We can
Okay,
start
next
Go
one.
to this first question.
Okay.
From the.
We can start.
Yeah.
See, first question, it's from basic concepts, but this time they made a different question.
Yes.
Normally, the numerical was based on molarity,
Molarity
and that stoichiometric
Yes.
relation.
Number of atoms, yeah.
Yeah. But this time it is based on the find out moles of precipitate product form. When 72 moles of PbCl2 reacts with the 50 moles of NH4 twice and so forth.
Yeah.
See, this question is based on limiting reagent as well.
Yes.
Yeah. Stoichiometric coefficient is considering,
Yeah.
but it's based on limiting reagent concept as well.
Yeah.
We can write the equation first, PbCl2 when reacts. So
Yeah.
we can write PbCl2 when
plus
reacts with NH4 twice SO4 gives, you know that one displacement, double displacement will take place to form PbSO4 and 2
ammonium.
NH4Cl we can write
Yes.
directly. This is our equation. I think this is the very easy one.
question.
The easiest one we can say. See, they are asking in number of moles. So I can write 1 mole, right? 1 mole PbCl2 can produce 1 mole PbSO4 because they are
PbSO4 is
connecting
precipitate.
these two compounds. Yeah, PbSO4. Yesterday, I think we gave the
white
idea.
precipitate,
Yeah,
white
white
precipitate,
precipitate. We gave the idea. So this is the precipitate. So 1 mole PbCl2 gives 1 mole PbSO4
Yes.
means you know that one limiting reagent will come over here 72 moles. Okay, but you know that one the limiting
NH4
reagent here it is you know that one NH4 twice SO4 that 50 moles only they give.
Yes.
So as per the balanced equation, it says that 1:1. 1 mole PbCl2 will combine with 1 mole
mole of ammonium
sulfate.
sulfate.
Yeah.
So 50 moles can take only 50 moles from here.
Yeah, this is the reagent measure
And-
in amount.
Yeah.
Right.
Then 1 mole gives 1 mole over
One
here
mole.
mean 50 moles will give 50
50
moles.
moles.
So 50
So
moles
that is the
answer.
answer.
Yes.
So limiting reagent is which one?
That is this one, ammonium sulfate.
Ammonium sulfate act as the limiting reagent. So here only out of 72 only 50 will take.
50 will take.
Yeah. So 22
Then
remains
that will be
as
excess,
excess.
yeah.
Yes.
So correct answer is 50 moles you will be getting.
Correct.
It's a whole number integer question. So we will be writing 50 moles.
Very easy question.
One
Very
easy question.
This
Like
time
an easy
also,
solve.
Yes, easy solve.
basic concept they did not make any tough question. For the
Easier.
first
Just
shift,
direct
all the
equations.
questions are direct.
Yes.
Shall we go to
Yeah.
next
Next
one?
one, next
Sure,
one,
sure.
next
Yeah,
one.
we'll
Today,
go to
no
the next
wait.
one.
Yeah.
Let's discuss
this
from
one
a
I will
simple
do.
question
I will
from
do.
organic.
Organic
Okay.
chemistry
Yes.
basic principles. Okay, this one also like what the previous year.
I think we discussed the same
We
type of
discussed the
questions
same
in the
idea,
class.
same idea.
That concept
Yes.
we gave them.
Yeah. So
Same.
actually here OH is what electron donating
Donating group
only.
plus R
Yeah.
effect.
Plus R effect is there.
Yes.
And here CH3
Methyl group.
Yeah.
positive hyperconjugation. That is
Hyperconjugation.
donating, but not up to that much of resonance. Okay.
Yes.
And here benzene benzene,
That is
nothing
normal
there.
benzene.
In the case of chlorine, plus R is
Plus
there. as well
minus
as
I also there.
minus
Yeah.
I
Minus
is
I
there.
effect.
That's
But
why
that
we are
minus
learning.
I is more powerful than
Yeah.
plus R.
That's why partially deactivating a
Partially
statement we are
deactivating.
learning.
Yeah.
Partially
That's
deactivating.
why they are asking about most likely
Attracted
attracted
by
by electrophile.
electrophile.
Means the most rich in benzene.
Benzene.
That is
Benzene should be
actually
more electron rich. That is
Yeah.
only possible because of plus
plus
R
R.
effect.
So answer is
So we
second
can
one.
second
Is
one.
it okay now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Shall we go to the
If
next
we
one?
want,
Next
yeah,
one.
definitely we will
I
go
think
to the
we can just give a fast description about this one. What is the
yeah.
order?
If they want
If
the
you
order,
want
phenol,
first
phenol,
one will come phenol.
phenol,
most
Phenol
one,
will come.
then
after that toluene will come.
Toluene, benzene will come.
Then
After that,
benzene.
Then
The
after
least
that,
one
which
is
one will come?
chlorobenzene, we can
will
delete.
come. That's
Yeah,
it.
this is
That's
the
very
addition.
easy,
Yes.
very
Easy
This one
baby.
you keep in mind.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
shall we go to the next one?
Yes, next one, the
Yes,
third.
This is the second one. This
Yes.
is the third question. Okay.
A
Deepak
very
sir,
simple
are you
question.
ready?
Definitely I'm ready.
Okay, let's do
Here
it.
pH3 will have low boiling point than NH3. You know, pH3 and NH3, I think they're having the same shape. What is that? Trigonal, pyramidal geometry is there. In which one? They're saying that pH3 will have low boiling point. I think it is correct, right?
Yeah.
You know, pH3 having low boiling point because NH3 having they form highly
Intermolecular
strong hydrogen bonding.
hydrogen bonding.
The main reason
one
is
criteria.
what? Nitrogen, phosphorus.
phosphorus.
Nitrogen is
Yeah.
more electronegative
Negative.
than phosphorus.
Yeah.
You know, more electronegative means they form the bond,
Yeah.
very
Double
strong
double
hydrogen bond.
Yeah.
So NH3 having high boiling point, pH3 having low boiling point.
And
So-
one addition point, if you want, we can say that normally students will think that while going down,
down it will
molar mass
increase.
increases, boiling point
boiling
may
point
increase.
increases.
In the case of
But here
hydrogen
the
bonding, it will be
exception,
different.
Yes.
hydrogen bond is the main criteria for boiling point that you keep in mind.
Yes, so pH3
let's
having
finish.
low boiling point, correct?
Yeah.
There are strong van der Waals force in NH3 and strong
Strong
hydrogen
hydrogen
bond
bonding
in pH3.
That is
no,
wrong.
That is wrong.
That's wrong.
We said NH3 having high hydrogen
And
bonding.
there is
Therefore,
no
it's having high boiling
intermolecular
point.
hydrogen bonding in pH3.
Yes.
It's not sufficiently electronegative.
Yes,
The phosphorus
correct.
is not sufficiently electronegative.
So I
Okay,
think
over.
we can go with the statement 1 is
One-
correct.
Yeah.
Statement two is
Statement
wrong.
2 is what? False, right?
False.
Okay. Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, sure.
Which of the following have
Okay.
trigonal bipyramidal?
I'll
Again,
explain.
they
Yes,
are
sir,
asking
because
question
it's the
from
same.
where?
Yeah,
The
It's from
chemical bonding.
chemical bonding. What all idea we gave on last class, the same they are repeating. We gave
Chemical
the
bonding and here
should
coordination
learn-
compound. Some idea.
Yeah, VSCPR theory. You have to give important that only they ask
They're
here.
asking.
Yeah. Now we can say that here diagonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal. They are learning PCl5 directly. That is
Yes,
the example
PCl5.
given in the reader. CBSE textbook.
They are
Now
studying
you know that
that-
one the same type of all compounds will come.
Yeah. PCl5 is there.
5 ligands should be
Yeah,
there.
five surrounding atoms are
Surrounding
there
are
or
there.
ligands are there means definitely it will have the same. So PF5 we can
possible.
write same. PBr5 we can write no doubt.
PCl5.
And here we can write the PCl5.
Maybe
And
as per
and
that
CO5
Here
we can write.
don't this we can say that we will explain because that is exception not exception actually.
That's that they know.
BRF5 if you are writing out of 7 only 5 has
Five.
been used
So
for
five
bonding.
bond pair.
Five bond.
One
Two
is-
remains. Two remains means one lone pair.
One lone pair.
So here you know that one square pyramidal
Square
shape will
pyramidal
come
shape.
because
That's
all
So it won't come.
only 5 bond pair means only that trigonal bipyramidal shape will come.
Yeah.
So here it will come, you know that one because FeCO5 times we are learning sp3d is
sp3d is the
hybridization. That is the
trigonal.
12th chapter club.
Yes.
So sp3d hybridization, trigonal bipyramidal is the shape. I think this is
1,
more
2,
than enough.
3, 4, right?
Yeah. So correct option will come as
4 compounds.
yeah. BRF5 we have, PF5 we have.
No,
That is
the
not-
PF5
PF5,
Yeah,
option
here.
A. Option A.
Correct one is
Option A.
for option 1.
PF5.
All the compounds.
Okay,
Second
fine.
PF5 means obviously PCl5 will be there.
Yes,
PF5
PF5 is there.
Only that
Yeah.
BRF5 you have to keep in mind.
Yeah.
Should not make mistake.
Instead of 4, there is a chance to go to 5. So
Yeah.
don't do that. BRF5 is not in our system.
Yeah, but
Okay.
chemical bonding also the expected question only came.
Yes.
We yesterday we
Already we
discussed the
discussed
same
BSc,
same thing will
theory,
come. I
shape.
think Nantida.
Nandita,
Yeah,
we can ask
that's
her.
one of
Yeah.
us.
How was
yes,
the-
I
how was
think
the-
Sanal, Krishna, Sri, yes, it's
Yeah,
a keep.
yeah.
I
And
think many
thank you
students
all
attend the
for your
examination.
supporting.
Sri is telling this was
Keep
a
on
brilliant question.
watching.
Brilliant question only.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
It was there in worksheet, I hope.
Yes.
Keep on watching. Support us.
Keep
Yeah.
support and the love and all of these things we
Fire,
have to
fire.
be
Yeah.
the last moment itself.
Yeah, okay.
Shall we go to
Next
next
one.
one?
Okay, next
Yeah.
one.
Yeah.
This
That
one
is
also
also
I'll explain.
one of the
Thermodynamics.
simple question
Yeah.
from thermodynamics.
See, this time thermodynamics not numerical. A question
Numericals.
came but
Easy,
not
direct
numerical.
question.
Direct
There are
one only.
conceptual questions only
But that
there.
concept you have to keep in mind. Here they are asking.
Adiabatic.
Which of the following is correct for adiabatic free expansion?
So, sir, what we can write for adiabatic means?
Adiabatic we can write delta Q is equal to 0. That's
And
the Free expansion means you keep in mind against a zero pressure.
External pressure is zero.
External, yeah. Against a zero pressure, P external is equal to 0.
So let's
So we can write the equation delta U is equal to Q plus W. Then delta U is equal to Q minus P into delta V. That is P external into delta V.
Yeah.
This is our equation. We know that one Q is equal to 0. P is 0.
Pressure is
So 0 into delta V means 0.
So internal
everything is 0. Delta U is equal to 0.
All
Q
are
is
0.
equal to 0. W is equal to 0.
0.
Over.
Option A.
So all the factors.
Yes.
It's a simple concept
Simple.
only. There is no digit, nothing. Basic idea only there. So over.
Yes.
So they can ask this kind of same question for MCQ for CBSE.
I think these all questions you got the mark.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah. I think they all done.
Yes, sir.
And thank you all. Thank you
Yes,
all.
Sanjay,
Yeah.
yes,
Plus,
yes,
Sanjay,
yes.
all are there.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Right.
Thank you.
Next one.
We will go to the next.
I will do it.
Yes,
okay, fine.
This actually, they are asking the question like that, which of the following is correct plot between lambda and P? So that's actually de Broglie.
It's a direct one actually.
What is de Broglie?
Lambda equal to
H by P.
Even they given the equation. Right. De Broglie.
H is a constant.
Yeah.
So automatically they can write
Lambda proportional 1 by P.
Inversely proportional to momentum.
know
So
what
when
is an
lambda increases,
inversely proportional graph
only
means
one option is
only
there.
one option.
Only one option is that lambda increases, P decreases.
That anyone
Only.
can predict.
Anyone can predict.
Tell me how much second you want to do this question. How much second?
Within 1 second.
1 second.
Within 1 second.
They can do it.
Right.
Correct.
Okay.
See, class ending.
Sanal is telling the answer.
Yeah,
Hi,
they will.
Sanal, your answer is exactly correct. Okay, Sanal and all is doing. I think he did it best.
Yeah, this
I hope
time
so.
we can expect.
Okay.
I think.
Shall we go to the next
Good
one?
things. Yes.
Okay.
The
Balancing.
balancing.
Continue.
Balancing. Many times we told balancing is going to come. Balancing is going to come. Like
Either
that.
MnO4 or
NCR.
Cr2O7 is coming.
That time also we
Yeah,
told
dichromate or potassium permanganate
Yes,
is
Krishna's
coming.
chemistry is on always. Yes, Sanal.
Yeah,
Yes.
Sanal, great.
It will be
great,
there, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
shall we go to the next one?
Yes,
this
sure.
one,
Balancing.
So this one balancing Cr2O7
7
2
minus plus H plus.
H plus, okay,
yeah.
plus,
Or electron
we can write
later.
We will be balancing.
Then
2Cr3 plus H2O.
H2O.
Yeah.
I'm writing H2O. Then what I'm
We
going
can
to
write
do
the
is,
oxidation state. There
Here
will
it is
be plus 6.
This
Here
one
it will
is
be
plus
3 given.
So here
Difference
plus 6
is
means difference is 3. So
Difference
that means
is-
into 2 means 6.
Yeah, 6.
So 6 electrons should be required.
Yes. Definitely.
Okay, so here 7
H2O,
7 H2O, 7 H2O,
Then
and
hydrogen,
hydrogen
14 H plus.
14.
Over.
This one directly, or else you can directly substitute from the
Yeah,
option itself.
yeah,
So here
correctly.
what is X, sir?
X
What
is
X?
14,
X is equal
X
to
14,
And the electron
Y
is
equal
6.
to 6,
A
and
equal to 7.
A equal to 7.
Option B.
So option 2. Option 2. I hope Sanal already
Direct.
told the answer. I hope so.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think Sanal, then Devan, you wrote the examination today. I think.
Yeah.
I
Then-
mean, we are expecting. We can expect a good
Yeah,
result
we
from
can
that,
expect
especially
a very
chemistry
good
area.
rank this time then
Yeah,
for
yeah,
this
yeah,
guy.
okay.
Krishna.
So
Okay,
shall
fine.
we, option 2.
Karthik also.
Karthik also.
Right.
Great,
Yes.
Karthik. Great. Okay, shall we go
Fine.
to the next one?
Yes,
Sure,
next.
sure.
Let's go to the next.
Fine.
Complementary strand of DNA.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Yes.
So
Good,
here
good.
the DNA again it's showing that for JEE examination biomolecule is the one of the easiest
Easy.
chapter.
They did not make any trouble from this chapter
Yeah.
till now. All the questions were so easy.
Even they are biomass students means this will be very easy.
Yeah, everyone can answer this question.
Yes.
That much easy is this
Just
one.
they are asking what is the base pair, right?
Yeah, base pair
adenine means what? There will be thymine.
Thymine.
Guanine means there will be what? Cytosine. So here
That only
adenine.
they need to
Thymine.
remember. Over.
Here C, here G, here A.
Let's see
here
who all
G,
gave the
here
correct
again
answer.
A. So what is the
Yes,
answer?
yeah. Answers are coming. Good.
Karthik is telling yes,
Yeah.
sir. Karthik, great.
G A G A. Right.
Correct.
So
Option
here
is-
no. This
it's,
one here finally is A. Here is what? T. Right.
Okay,
This,
fine.
T is the
Yeah,
answer.
option is 2.
So the base pair. I think biomolecule this time.
These
we
all,
can-
yeah.
Actually,
More
I
than
think
this-
I'm feeling like that we already gave one material now. From that only direct question that so many MCQ we gave.
This
From
time,
that only
sir,
all the
all
questions came.
together the question paper if you are taking, only 3 or 4 question that JEE level came.
JEE level.
All the question we are telling. All the 5 days question paper if you take, only 4 or
And
3 or 4
majority questions are from the worksheets.
Yeah, based on
especially
NCERT
brilliant other worksheets and whatever we are giving the question examination that only came in. Okay,
Right.
We go to the next one.
Okay. Let's go to the next one. Yes.
Yeah.
What is the pH of the CH3CO or ammonium acetate salt? Ka, Kb of two weak acid and weak bases are given at 25 degrees Celsius, right? Directly we can apply the equation for this one, weak base and weak acid. What is the equation? pH is equal to 7 plus half into pKa minus pKb. We can apply.
Direct equation.
So 7 plus half of. See pKa. So I think Ka and Kb are same value.
Yeah.
K equal to KB.
Kb, pKa equal to
obviously
pKb. So this is equal to what? 1.
Zero.
So this is 0 that we can cut it. So what is that? The answer is equal to 7. And here also, is there any calculations like that? Right, KSP calculation, those type of difficult level?
Nothing.
Not asking.
Nothing.
I don't know within how much time they completed chemistry paper.
Yeah.
Yes. Next question we can discuss. I think
yesterday,
sir. Yesterday we discussed about the solution
What?
chapter. We said that
we told.
Van Hoff factor related questions we can expect.
Definitely.
Those who watch yesterday's video, you can able to say that. This is nothing to say like just a lie or something. You can just see the yesterday's video.
Today we don't have time. That's why we are not taking that pop-up videos and all. Yeah.
Okay.
Today anyway it's the last day.
Yes, next one.
Okay. So here, see, when you go through the table, it might be getting the confusion that 0.1 molar, 0.01 molar.
Janaki is telling the answer.
Yeah.
Just Janaki is
Yeah, we
telling
can
the
give
answer.
time. Yeah.
Correct. Great.
She's saying that option number is 1. Yes, let's prove that. Yes, whether it is option number 1 or not.
That is the basic idea. See, only see for Van Hoff factor, if you revise the point, only 2 points you have to keep in mind. I will be greater than 1 for strong electrolyte. Means complete dissociation.
Dissociation will become more than 1.
More number of
for
ions produced.
association, I will be
less than 1.
And for non-electrolyte, you know
is
that
equal to 1. Right.
Other than that, here it will not depend upon that 3 molar NaCl or nothing. It's depend upon the compound. So the compound we are taking it as a complete dissociation means, you know that one? Yes, sorry, you can write. NaCl dissociate to form Na plus plus Cl minus. So how many ions are there? 2 ions. That is the depending factor. And you can remember the equation I equal to number of particle after dissociation divided by number of particle before dissociation. Nothing to tell over here other than these all will not depend. So it's direct whether it is 0.1 molar, this one. It depend upon this one over. That's it.
But at the same time, if they ask about boiling point, any colligative property mean we have to consider
that time
the concentration.
Yeah. That the comparison will be. That time comparison you should, otherwise no need. Here they are asking I directly.
That
so
is
answer
option
is this
number 1. I think who given that's in Fassal. Yeah, Fassal, Jifri and
telling answer 1.
Correct one.
Jifri, that's the correct answer. Okay, correct.
Correct. Okay, Fassal.
Yes.
Okay, thank you all.
Yes, next one.
Okay, we will go to the next.
Next question. Yes.
Okay. Another organic. I'll continue. Okay. So see. This time also organic, they did not make any tough question. Here also it's not name reaction but the direct one. You know that one, when toluene reacts with the chlorine in presence of sunlight. That is the free radical substitution. Free radical substitution means we can write the equation CHCl2 that you keep in mind. It's benzyl chloride.
Benzyl chloride.
Not benzyl.
Right.
That benzyl chloride when reacts with, that is the compound A, when reacts
NaOH.
with the NaOH and H plus. Then you know in acidic medium. Then you know that one, here it will be substituted 1 Cl and 1 Na. We can remove 1 Cl and 1 H. If you are removing O will come. That way you can remember. Then over. So CHO.
Answer is benzaldehyde.
This direct reaction is given in the NCERT textbook.
It's
the
direct coordination followed by hydrolysis.
That is the heading.
Another part of which one? Ittard reaction, Getterman-Koch reaction. So you're studying there, you can able to see this reaction.
It's conversion given. Direct one.
So this option 3 is the answer.
Option 3 is the correct answer.
Option 3.
Okay, next one.
Organic. Okay, we will move fast.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Same question already came in physics portion also. Okay. They are asking about we have a mixture of gases having 2 moles of monoatomic gases. CV they given. Okay, CV they given. And 6 moles of diatomic gases. CV again they given. Find out the molar heat capacity of the mixture. So
directly
mixture
apply
is equal to N1 gamma 1 plus
N2 gamma 2 divided by N1 plus N2.
That's it. So what is N1?
And
N1 is 2 moles.
If you want, we can write that equation. If you have confusion, Cp by Cv
okay,
equal to gamma. That is that gamma we are taking. That's it.
Cp by Cv.
That will keep in mind.
Cp minus Cv equal to R.
From
Meyer's
that
relation, Poisson's ratio. Both you are learning.
Now we can substitute.
So directly substituting. What about N1?
N1 is 2 moles.
2 into
3R by 2.
3R by 2 is coming
plus 6 into
2 is 6 into 5R by 2 divided by N1
6 plus 2
8 is coming.
Yes,
so
just to
while I can
simplify.
cancel this one,
Yes,
this one will be 3. So 3 3R. 3R plus 15R divided by 8. That means 18R by 8. So that means 9R by 4. Option 1 is the correct answer. Easily. You will get two questions. Okay, 2 questions. One is
Same paper. Same paper they asked. Physics, there is the same thing. So 4 mark is based on just the single equation.
Kind of question only coming.
8 marks, right? Total 8 marks.
So that 8 mark can decide their future also.
Yes.
Sure. So this one.
Another question from
Halo alkane. Halo alkane. Yesterday we already told like that in halo alkane questions came like that somewhat we told. So here you can see halo alkane question is.
But all the assertion recent type questions are actually average level only there.
Level only, general level only. Here they are telling KCN reactive with halo alkane to give cyanide.
Whether it is correct or not, all of you are studying what is amide and the nucleophiles, right? KCN will give you what? Cyanide.
Halo alkane while we are treating. This
with
one
with
KCN. KCN is actually
ionic compound.
Minus. Ionic compound.
So it
automatically it will
always
break.
cyanide.
And Cn minus. Here
C will attack.
C will attack. Carbon only that negative charge is there. That is the nucleophile. Carbon will substitute this. This halogen will take the electron and it will become X minus. That only will
C will attack on the alkyl group.
So that will become what?
RCN. Cyanide.
So that statement cyanide is correct.
Yes.
Nitrile compound is correct.
Yes.
And if I am taking RX
with the
AgCN.
That exists as Ag single bond.
Ag single bond Cn.
Here it's a covalent
compound.
Yes.
Covalent. It's a covalent compound. While it is treating means this X will leave us X minus, but this R plus cannot attach with carbon. But instead of that, this will go and attach with what? This
nitrogen.
So now they will form what?
RNC. That is called
isocyanide. Isocyanide. Now we can check the options.
Yes.
KCN reactive with RX to give cyanide.
Statement 1 is correct.
Yes. AgCN reactive with RX to give isocyanide mainly. That is correct. Purely correct statement. What about the second statement? KCN and AgCN both are ionic. Wrong.
Already we wrote over here.
We wrote here KCN is ionic and AgCN is covalent. So this is wrong.
So assertion is correct?
Yeah.
Assertion is correct, but reason is false. So option 3.
3 is the correct one. Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, next one.
Yes, this is the next one.
Consider the following.
Yes, you can do it. You can do it.
Have we discussed these type of question yesterday or not?
Same
coordination
compound. The same question was there.
Same question we discussed, right? Who and all are given the correct answer for this one?
Aditya, Tejas, Janagi.
Tejas and Jisha.
Jisha Goban is telling the exactly answer.
Correct answer. Very good.
Congrats.
I think no need to go for a detailed explanation here, right? So we can able to understand, I think. Nickel atomic number 28. So what we can write? Argon and 4s2 and 3d8 and here 2 plus is the charge. It's gone. What is remaining? 3d8 is there. Since H2O is a weak field ligand, pairing won't happen. Definitely there will be unpaired electron.
8 means unpaired
electron will be there. If there is unpaired electron, what happen? DD transition happen. It can show color. Yes, it can be correct.
That is the basic idea they are learning.
Yeah. Okay. And they are saying this is colorless means there should not be any unpaired electron.
The same question yesterday.
Yeah, the same compound they gave.
We said nickel case is exceptional case.
Like that they given.
Yeah. So nickel here cyanide is a strong ligand. So what happened?
Pairing up of electron will be
pairing occur. There won't be any unpaired electron, so it cannot show DD transition. It is colorless. So this is what
statement correct.
It is also correct one. So both statement correct. Where it is that
statement 1 is correct and statement second one
is correct. Who and all given the correct answer?
I think
sorry, this is false, right?
Both are correct answer. Correct.
Right, both are true.
We have to appreciate Tejas Janagi. He is actually telling the correct answers.
Yes,
I hope you got the good mark. I hope.
How was the exam? How was the today's exam about chemistry, physics and math overall? Which one you feel very easy paper? Can you just comment, Teja?
Comment there.
Tejas, right?
Tejas. Okay.
Tejas, can we know from which school you are studying? You are from which school?
Okay, he will comment it. Okay, we can go to the next question.
Okay. Not wasting time. Waiting for your reply. And next one, potassium hydrogen phthalate, right?
Okay.
We studied what is mean by phthalic acid, right? COOH and what? COH, this is called what? Phthalic acid. Whereas here potassium, so they're asking, so one of the hydrogen let be replaced by potassium. So this is called potassium hydrogen phthalate. It is a primary standard for NaOH.
Yeah, here only one thing you have to keep in mind, it's based on the volumetric analysis. Yeah, that is the only one. Analytical part of question.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's not the direct syllabus one.
I think those who are going for the second session in April, definitely you have to
analytical part. You have to give one
the organic part also.
Organic.
The second part. Okay.
That part, one question is confirmed. I think they are asking all the question paper.
Yes. So here this is an acid and react with what base. Definitely what happen? Neutralization happens. Yes or no? So potassium hydrogen sulfate is a primary standard for NaOH solution is what? Yes, it is a correct statement.
Correct statement. Yeah.
Whereas second two, phenolphthalein is used to detect the completion of titration.
That's the basic idea. Every indicator.
Indicator.
So basically, we can say that so many indicators are there. Indicators are used to understand the end point of every titration.
Yes.
So here it's based on the titration reaction. Yeah, acid and base titration. And normally we'll be using phenolphthalein, methyl orange like that
indicators.
Indicators. So it's a statement. Both the statements are correct.
No confusion, I think.
Okay.
Yes. One another simple question from which chapter?
Amines.
Right.
Okay. So we can tell like that from organic chemistry, that basic portion only they are asking.
Basic idea.
CBSE level only. Okay. Can I continue?
Yeah. Sure.
Here aniline means benzene ring containing
NH2 group
is there. This NH2 contain one lone pair is there.
Yes.
This whenever lone pair comes means they are electron donating group. Electron donating group means because of plus R effect.
Yes.
Okay. So this they are donating electron donating group. That's why they are telling they are strong deactivating group
or false.
All electrophilic
substitution reaction.
That is wrong.
And they are learning also, sir. We are deactivating NH2 actually for getting para and ortho separately. Yeah. With the acetylation reaction, we are making it deactivating. Means you know that one is the most active.
This one is the activating group, and they are activating at ortho and para only. So that's why this statement is wrong. That is wrong. And second one, aniline does not show Friedel-Crafts alkyl.
I think this is the most asked statement for CBSE
board examination.
It's actually asking as a reasoning question. Why
Yeah.
aniline do not undergo Friedel-Crafts
The
reactions?
most repeated question from
Just show that.
CBSE exam also. So here aniline is there. Once I am treating with the alkylation means can I take
CH3Cl?
Okay. CH3Cl with
With
the
the
anhydrous
AlCl3.
Anhydrous AlCl3.
We know AlCl3 is an electron deficient one.
Lewis acid. That Lewis acid can take electron directly from this lone pair. So what they will do? They will form a
salt.
So they will form a salt. Okay. Complex compound. Okay. NH2 plus. It will become plus because they are donating that electron too. AlCl3,
so
and
we will
this
be
become
getting
AlCl3
minus.
Will be
so it's a complex salt. So that's why aniline does not show Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Because this alkyl group cannot come and attach. Before that itself, that electron will be gained by the AlCl3.
Salt
option
formation.
2 is the correct one. First one is wrong.
Yeah.
So which is option, sir?
Statement 1 is
incorrect and statement this one is correct.
2 is correct. So option 4 is the correct answer. Hope you guys already did it. Okay. Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, next one.
Yes.
We'll go
This is
to
the next
the-
one.
Which of the following is homoleptic
Okay. This time you can do this one.
I will do that. Okay, fine. Which of the following homo? What do you mean by homo?
Homoleptic, same type of ligand should be present.
Same kind of ligand should come means only one option is there.
Yes.
Here H2O, Cl3 is there.
Different types of ligands are there.
Cl and Br are there.
Yes.
NH3
Yeah, another 1 second question we can tell. Direct one.
I think, sir, this same, even this is a simple question. This question they were asked in 2023 NEET exam paper also. The same question they were asked. What is homoleptic?
Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, next one.
Continue.
I think in phase 2, maybe memory based or somewhat numerical. Okay, we don't know, but
Maybe
we are
they go to the
expecting
higher level.
Higher level.
Yes.
Because till yet now they didn't complete the syllabus. That's why they may ask like this.
So those who are going to write their April examination, they should
revise
thoroughly. They should thoroughly go through these 5 shift papers.
So obviously, we will give a live again.
Yes.
So they have to be keep in touch with us.
Yes.
Sure.
Okay.
We will be back with another live session.
Yeah, another live session. So obviously.
Yeah.
So they have to share it with their friends also. That is a very important thing.
Correct.
Shall we go to this one?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll explain. See, this is the another basic idea from organic basic principle. We gave so much area on last class that you have to give more importance from those area. Again, question came.
Yeah,
it's a basic that
heterolytic
bond fissions we learned. 2 types of bond fissions, but basic idea only. They could have asked so many questions that exceptional one, and then so many things are there.
Stability order.
But still they asked the basic one only. You know that one. There are 2 types of bond fission and homolytic bond fission,
and
homolytic and heterolytic. So you know that one heterolytic bond fission normally happens in ionic compound. Means if two bond is formed between two atoms having different electronegativity. So that different electronegativity means if you take CH3Cl, you know that one, the bond break will be representing with that fish hook arrow. This one and this one. That they have idea.
Heterolytic means like this.
Yeah, that this one, homoleptic we will be representing. This will be completely taking. Homoleptic means we will be representing with that fish hook arrow.
Yes.
So this will be completely gained by chlorine. Then you will be getting CH3. It's over there. CH3 plus cations and anions will be basically forming.
Yeah. So in homolytic and heterolytic, there is a basic idea is
same. Carbocation was there and free radical was there. Instead of that, they asked this one.
Carbocation hybridization there. This time also is a direct one. So for ionic reaction. So ionic reaction means you know that here is a partial charge is there, delta negative and delta plus. So it will be gain. So correct answer is heterolytic fission.
I hope they already did right.
It's the direct one, again the direct one.
Yes.
Okay.
Tejas, I think today he rocked in the examination. I'm sure. Tejas Janagi is making, I think, wonder in the examination.
Shall we get the next one?
Yes, next one.
We have to check all their score once the score declares by NTA. Let's see, and we will be happy. Yes. All our effort.
Yeah. I think regarding this question, sir, yesterday they asked a question based on pKa and Ka values, right? So we discussed that pKa, I think yesterday question paper is regarding pKa, today's regarding what? Ka. So clearly we said that pKa increases mean what? Acidity decreases. Ka increases mean what? Acidity increases. Ka directly proportional to acidity.
K or pKa we can relate. Yes, it's a basic idea only.
That's Ka increases means Ka decreases.
Yeah. So Ka value,
just compare the value. 10 power minus 3 is given. 5
into 10 raised to minus
10 power minus 9 is given.
9 into 10 raised to minus 11.
10 power minus 11. I think in the order only they gave. Gives this one, this one, this one.
Yes. So A greater than
highest value, this one, the least value. So A, B, C. So higher value, then B, then this one.
Yes. So not.
This is also the
nothing to remember.
Okay, so let's go with I think option A.
Right. So option A we will put
the correct answer. Okay, one another simple question from
continue, sir.
The redox reaction part and all.
NCERT questions only there every time they are asking, nothing to tell.
See, we are expecting that these kind of chapters having least priority, right? But redox reaction, biomolecule, these kind of chapters, how many questions they are asking?
Yeah.
Correct. So which of the following is a disproportionation reaction? Everyone know that. What is mean by disproportionation reaction? What it is?
Every question paper they gave this one. Disproportionation.
Right. Same species which undergo both oxidation and reduction. I think yesterday the same reaction we discussed, right? The manganate permanganate cases. You know, copper plus 1 here, plus 2, here it is 0. Yes, it's undergo oxidation and reduction.
Yeah, easiest method is one element is having 3 oxide state means sure.
Sure. Just to check it whether one element is repeated or not.
One element is 3 oxide state means definitely.
Here hydrogen peroxide minus 1, 0, minus 2. Here
no chance.
But here because only 2 elements are given, there is no one another chance to make it
only
one
6
another.
and 3 are there, no third oxidation.
So A, B, C which undergo what? Disproportionation. Let's go with option number 4. More than this, what you want in chemistry, dear all, more than these type of questions.
Once they finish the chemistry question, they will be so happy, I think.
Yeah. Another one. Yeah. I don't know. Let's finish it fast, right? Okay. Find out total possible optical isomers of 2-chlorobutane.
Again, basic idea.
Basic one. I think the same question they were repeated in one another paper. So I think next examination when they are going to write the examination, they are all very careful in the shift 1 what they were asked. You should, those who are going for the next day, definitely you should read that question paper because more connections are there between the questions.
Anyhow, we can come in live during that time.
Yes, definitely. We have to do our best for the students. So we want to just check. We have an equation for calculating the number of possible stereoisomers.
How many asymmetric carbon is there that you have to find out.
Just chiral carbon. Yes, this carbon is chiral because it's connected to 4 different groups. So only one chiral carbon. So N is equal to 1. So 2 raised to 1 is equal to answer is 2.
That's it.
Yes.
Finish.
Next one.
Yeah, we will go fast.
Yes, one another.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Regarding this one, anything you wanted to say? Yesterday we
Electrochemistry.
discussed electrochemistry.
Nernst
They
equation.
didn't ask Nernst equation yet.
They will ask next.
Now it is there. Now you can able to see the Nernst equation question. A simple question.
Yeah,
Yes.
previous paper and all they were asking with the mass calculation and all, but this time that came. Yesterday we told you this, you have to give focus for the Nernst equation. See, the calculation part they gave few values.
Aditya is telling you all made my
Made JEE journey awesome.
Awesome. Great to hear
Thank you.
that.
Thank you, Aditya.
Karthik, Devan, Tejas, and Tejas, I think is keep on giving the answers. Okay, Tejas, I think he rocked
we wish
today's
you to
examination.
see you in IRD.
Well done.
Sure.
Okay, I think we can.
See, here they gave an equation, a reduction reaction. 2H plus 2 electron gives H2. Basic only that, you know, that one standard hydrogen electron equation. Yeah.
Right.
See, based on this one, they are asking to calculate the E cell. Cell reaction. So
Directly.
E cell we need to calculate. So we can write the equation E cell is equal to E
naught
naught cell minus 2.303 RT divided by NF. Don't get confused why we are writing this one, because you know that one they gave a value like this one. Otherwise 0.0591 we'll be using divided by into log product concentration divided by reactant concentration. Anyway, here the product is hydrogen and they gave the pressure. Okay, no need to consider this one. So we will substitute directly for E naught cell. It's 0 minus 2.03 RT
by that's already given.
Yeah, that divided by. So we will be taking that value. So minus 0.06 divided by n value is equal to 2.
Number of electrons,
So this is n equal to 2.
Yes.
So 2 into
Log
log 2 will come.
Product
Here it is.
concentration
Product
two.
concentration is 2.
Here the product is actually gas. That's why you can take
That is
partial pressure.
partial pressure we can take. Then no need to consider this one
Reactant is
concentration.
one only.
Anyway, value is 1 only.
If it's a gas means pressure. If it is a liquid means concentration.
That's it.
Nothing
That is
more.
only difference. So minus 0.06 divided by 2 into
log 2
we can write directly 0.3010. Now we can write like this one is
Minus
equal to minus
0.03.
6 into 3 I'll write into 10 power minus 3 divided by 2 I'll write.
Yes.
So this one when cancel I'll get 9.
9 into.
So this
Minus
is
9
3.
into.
Now 9, yeah, minus negative is already there. Minus 9 into 10 power minus 3 over.
Yeah. So here 10 raised to minus 3 is given.
So
Just what is the value
the
of
whole
X?
number integer is
That is
9.
9.
Again the direct one. It will take maximum 1 minute.
1 minute.
Yeah, though it is a
I don't think
numerical
so.
one.
Within that itself I can do it. Yeah.
But students we have to consider.
Yeah.
Okay. Even you see the 2 point, they're not making any complication. 2.303 RT.
Is it this much value and all they are giving?
So nothing
Then
to do that.
Nothing to do that. Okay.
Okay, next one.
We will go to the next.
Yeah, total number
This
of
one also I'll do.
deactivated.
The same kind of question already
Yeah.
they were asked
In
the JEE
And we
Main
gave them the
examination.
hint how to identify even.
They were asking like meta directive group that time. This
Yeah.
time they are asking about deactivating group as well as meta directive groups are
Same
same.
only.
That time also we told what lone pair containing group.
Lone pair or
Lone
negative
pair
charge,
containing,
right?
lone pair containing group. They are directly attached with a benzene ring. They are what?
Their plus R effect and
activating or ortho para
Directing
directive.
groups.
Activating. Okay, activating or plus directive.
Yes.
If it is a double bond
Or
or
triple bond if there.
Unsaturation means minus R.
Yeah.
Minus R means what? Deactivating group. Deactivating group. So you must have to remember that while you are seeing this one, lone pair containing group should directly connect with the benzene ring.
Yes.
And double bond and triple bond should directly connect with the benzene ring. So I am connecting
This
this
is
one with the
triple
benzene ring means here
It's
triple
a
bond is
triple
there.
bond.
So triple bond is mean
Deactivating. So
and
one
about
of
this one,
lone
this
pair.
one,
It's lone pair is
lone
there.
pair is in nitrogen.
So it's activating.
So
group.
there is activating group only, and this one they are learning in aniline. Aniline we are making
amide,
only,
acetanilide.
only para directive. That time we are making this one only.
Yeah.
So this one, this double bond is there, but that is not with the benzene ring. So that is activating.
Activating
And
group.
this one directly
There is a
connect
double
with
bond.
double bond. See double bond that is going to connect with the benzene.
So
that's also
deactivating.
This one.
Lone pair is there.
Lone
So
pair is
activating group.
activating.
So we
this
have
one and
two.
this one. Two.
Yeah,
Two are there.
activate
First one
deactivating
and,
groups.
Third
Third
one
one
is
are deactivating
Yeah, that's it.
groups.
And
So
all
direct
idea
one.
is clear.
Yes.
Sure.
Is it fine?
Yes,
That's it.
of course, the same question.
yeah.
And sir, I think when we analyzing all the 5 paper, I feel like that they are making some equality in the papers,
Paper,
right?
paper.
Yes,
Definitely.
that pattern they did not change.
Yes,
Yeah.
they are not making one
taking-
shift is very
Whatever
hard.
the compounds they are asking, the same compound
Same.
they are using in a different
Different
situation.
way, different way.
situation.
Like that.
Okay.
Shall we got this one?
Yes, next
Deepak
question.
sir,
Yeah.
you do it.
How many oxides are amphoteric in oxide? So it's compulsory
That
to
is
know which all are amphoteric, which all are acidic, which all are basic,
That they have
neutral.
to keep in mind the direct, some compounds they are giving.
Yeah, it's already
we can
NCRT. NCRT,
yeah.
those who have some memory capacity and all, definitely they can able to answer. P block.
Yeah, even though they don't know the amphoteric, we can sort out the neutral and acidic. Then remaining and all, you can predict.
Different way we can able to do it.
Yeah, neutral.
So I think, yeah. So SnO2, PbO2, Al2O3. These are the one which is given us what? The amphoteric one, right? Amphoteric. They can react with which one? Both acid and base. Amphoteric oxide. Which all are the acidic one remaining? SiO2 and P2O5, CO2. These are what acidic. We know that non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. And what is carbon monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, dinitrogen oxide? These all are what?
These are
Neutral one. So the answer is
reaction.
right. So they are asking how many oxides are amphoteric? 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 is the answer.
Equally they gave.
Yes, that's
direct one.
Yeah,
yes.
next one.
One another question, chemical kinetics.
Okay, I will apply.
Yeah, okay. I think this one maybe the students can.
Yeah, we can say that.
Now the logic means easy.
Yeah, then it is easy. There is no
But
confusion in
the way
that
they
one.
are giving, they may get bit confusion with the one, but we will solve it in an easy way.
Yeah,
Okay,
short system
listen,
method is there.
we will solve it in an easy way.
Yeah, the guys will solve it very easy way.
Yes.
Okay, sure. Kinetics, my favorite part, so I will do.
Okay, sir.
See, here the concept is, they are telling that when time t is equal to 0, there is a concentration. After a time t, 1/8 remains.
Yes.
Okay, 1/8, that is the concept you have to take it from here. That is the only thing you need to remember, then we can solve it easily.
Yeah.
So after a time t, 1/8 remains. 1/8 of the initial remains. Yeah.
So let's apply to the equation.
Directly we can apply. So I am writing the equation directly.
Time
So
t.
k equal 2.03 by. So I think we can write with the t we can write. Then will be easy. So t equal to 2.03 by. So shall I substitute k directly?
Yes.
Okay. So k means you know the term half life period has given. So half life period means I will write 0.693 divided by this value 1580. So into log I will write 1 initially. Fractional is given. So 1/8.
So it becomes log 8.
Is equal to 2.03. I'll split this value into 2.03 into 0.3010. This I'll take to the numerator 1580 into log 2 raised to 3 I will write.
Yes, log 8 we
Okay,
can
that
write
is
log
easy.
2.
So this value will cancel.
Yes.
So 1580 divided by 0.3010 into 3 into 0.3010.
That is
Then
log
the
2.
value will get cancelled. This one cancel. So 1580 into 3. So it's equal to 0.
3 8 are 4.
So 4, then
3 5 7 will
7, then 4 will come.
4
7
7
4 0.
Yeah, that's a simple one.
Value. Okay.
And logic they have to get, then they can answer it very easily.
We can easily solve this one.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think this is the easy way. You will get the idea easily.
And every time they are asking one question from chemical kinetics.
Kinetics, one numerical.
Yeah,
First
first
order.
order. Already Deepak sir already told you like that. From first order.
First order based
on
on
question.
yeah. This one, the concept you understand, then fine. Okay, we will move to the next one.
Next one, another simple question from the structure of atom. I
Yes,
think
you continue,
The
sir.
same kind of question in physics also.
yeah, when I was watching
solved
the
it.
physics paper, I think we are discussing that
two
same
questions
type
are
of question they
two
are
questions
asking.
from physics.
Thermodynamics, same one,
Same
and
one.
this one also the same.
Okay, let's apply the direct equation, right? What is
Sure,
the
sure.
minimum energy required for an electron to excite from ground state of first excited in the hydrogen atom? So we can take the equation directly. Energy is equal to what? 13.6 into Z square into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square joule, right? So
no need of that.
no need of that. So 13.6 into.
And one thing you keep in mind, first excited means the second level. That is the only thing you have to keep in mind.
Yeah. Square
minus 1 by 2 square is equal
that should
to
not make mistakes.
Right?
Yeah.
It is equal to what? 3 by 5.
That's it.
So, you know, 13.6 into 3 is very close to 40. So, 40 by 4 is around what? 10 is
Approximately
the
10.
final answer.
Anyway, whole number integer, 10 only will come.
The same paper, right? That is a wonder, right? Same paper, same day, physics and chemistry, they are asking same.
And that with the
related questions.
16 marks.
16
Thermodynamics
marks.
also same.
Right. Okay. I think we can go to the
Next one.
last
question.
The Geldahl's estimation of nitrogen CuSO4, what is the purpose?
So this is the
Answer,
third question.
here we can say that yesterday we gave the idea. This part definitely question will come. That estimation and the qualitative analysis. Detection part question was there for the last time.
Every day they
this
ask
time
3 questions.
Yeah.
3 questions from here, 1 question
Sure.
from this analytical part. You already told like that. This will come. Yeah. So this Geldahl's method is actually estimation for nitrogen. Likewise, one more method is
Dumas method
is there. Okay. So here they are asking CUSO for actors. So actually this method is somewhat long process only. But even though this answer, that is
used as a catalyst.
Nothing much more than that, correct?
Yeah.
So no need to explain the reaction and all. I think
basic idea means copper sulfate acts as a catalyst and sulfuric acid is there. That sulfuric acid and copper sulfate we are using together to convert it as sulfate compound. That you keep in mind. And few methods are there that you have to give importance. Dumas method, this Jaldal's method and all Carriers method. That you learn. That's
only one thing we can able to say that those who are going to write the April examination, the phase 2 examination, definitely you have enough time. So
and before that, if they get time means they have to watch all our videos.
All the 5 lectures.
All 5 questions we solved and almost all variety of question you will be getting.
Yeah.
So it's a good source. Use it up and we will be back with the same live session on next time.
Okay, Ramanujan, thank you all. And John, Tejas already given the correct answer. It is a catalyst. And Sudhir and Navina, Lisna, Gunashekhar.
Thank you all for your support and keep on supporting us. We will be back with another energetic live session. Thank you all.
And this is not just a end, it's just a beginning. And here onwards, we are going to support your board examination, right? Many plans are there. So if this support is there with us, definitely we will be there with you.
Will be back
always.
Wait for the next session.
That will be with them only.
We can wind up the chemistry session right now.
Please stay online, all of you. Please stay online, all of you.
Don't leave. Please wait.
Yes,
so
sir.
All the team brilliant is here.
Yeah. Last 5 days, right? Last 5 days we
without
are
any
with
sleep.
you.
We were there along with you, and the students also there along with us.
Yes, the entire please, sir. Sir.
Great, sir. Great sessions.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, good evening all of you. So last 5 days, those who supported us and those who were with us, it is amazing, mind-blowing, isn't it? Yeah. Right, so here is the time we are going to wind up the first phase session. Surely we'll be back with the same JEE session in April also, sir?
April.
Yeah, so we are going to wind up the JEE session. Before that, see, there are somebody like you are familiar with the teachers, but apart from the teachers, there are many people, those who work really hard to make it successful. So we need to call them. It's a time to thank them also. So our technical staff, Mr. Jasmine and Mr. Kabir, please come.
We have to give a big
clap to them because they are
without you people, this won't be a success one.
Yes, thank you very much, Mr. Kabir. Yes, Jasmine. Yes, and.
Yes.
Now,
and the main one.
Here is our Mr. Kabir. Those are slides you got now. How nice he prepared the slides.
Yes. And all technical support with just one cameraman. Yeah, right. And now it's a time to call our one and only, the brain behind all these things.
The main one.
Yeah.
Sir, our one and only Ashraf sir.
Sir, please welcome.
Hey!
Thank you. It was the last 3-4 days. It was a great to see the enthusiasm of all the team brilliant in the live YouTube. I think almost more than 10,000 views have got this last few days. And our subscription also gone to a big level. And this was motivated us to do much more in the coming days. On 5th February onwards, we will be starting the live MCQ discussion for CBSE. And for both 10th and 12th. So those who are not subscribed to our channel, so please do subscribe the Brilliant Katha, and we are creating a new channel for 10th standard. That also will be sent the link tomorrow. So we'll have another wonderful section in coming days. And one more big announcement today, from 10th March till the day of exam of next second phase of JEE, we will be conducting a crash course with the team of Brilliant Teacher. And the first 30 admission, we will be giving only the fees 999 rupees, Qatar Riyal. So look, book your spot today. First 30 admission, we will be declaring 999, 1 month complete crash, almost 25 days crash course, and it will be the cost of the study material in the online exam. So it will be absolutely free for all the Doha students. Is it
Great, sir. Great.
Okay, so this is a gift for you in the coming days. Thank you very much.
Thank you all.
Thank you all.
Good night. Good night.
Good morning.
Good morning. What's all this? Your results. Congratulations to all. Keep in mind, your first challenge is the entrance, whether it's IIT, JEE, SAT, or NEET. You have to learn from the masters. Brilliant Qatar is the passport to your...
Hi everyone, welcome to
Amazing channel of Brilliant Qatar.
When you're rubbing one body with another body, electrons are transferred from one object to what? Another object. Okay, this process, this type of electricity is been given a name.
halogen connected carbon sp3, then it's connected to benzene. See all of you, halogen connected. What is this carbon hybridization? Full single bond sp3, see then a benzene ring.
Denominator poles shouldn't be included in the denominator poles. That means the denominator, these -1 and -5 should never be included in the solution.
Homocircle caudal fin. It's giving two equal lobes. But in case of cartless fishes, look at here, one big lobe is there, one small lobe is there. You cannot cut into two equal half this fin.